Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Everybody shake up the tambourine and
praise the Lord. Yo, big up on yourself, people, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Ragashanti live, on the big bad Tik Tok and thing, large up on yourself in the evening, yeah, and sitting and whatever, yeah. Nah, man, asking that, I say a real thing. She said last night she had a dream, you know, and what appears to be an interesting dream, you know. Big up on yourself once, blessings to our subscribers and thing and whatever. I'm reading the comments, you know. Yeah. Big up on yourself. I don't know the levels and thing. We're there. What going on? We don't know. Everything balance up, we good. Ultras, my level, no longer gelding. Nah. Back to back. Yeah, 3 in a row, yeah? What else? Bless up yourself, Tash. Big up yourself. Respect and honor, yeah. Daniel Large up. Donovan, big up yourself. Starboy, of course. Maximum respect and thing. Blessings, man. Yeah, man, as I don't come in, if you don't follow me, follow me now one thing. If you don't follow me, follow me now, yeah? Big up all subscribers. Right? Yeah, baby blue are the color. You know, that's my favorite color now. I've been through different favorite color phases. A baby blue me there, and I've been at baby blue for a while. Thank you, Daniel. Blessings and respect. Thank you. You're so kind. Raga, do you have hair on your chest? No, I don't. Karen, 10:30. All right. Raga, what? Raga, you gonna sing a special song for me today? Wait. Christina, today your birthday? No, one time. Anna Lee, big up yourself. Auto renewal for your subscription. Yes. Oh, today a CBS birthday. Well, me soon deal with you. Leo season open. Today what date? Oh yes, Leo season start. Cross this Leo people, let me know. Leo woman them a trouble, me not care nobody want to say. Leo woman them a problem. Leo woman a problem. CBS, big up yourself on your band there, you know. You understand? I soon sing a song for you, man. Me see what I go on there. So I just say, Leo woman a problem, son. I not take back that. Leo woman a problem. Problem. Summer Sherrington, really now? No, yeah, Leo? Oh, yeah, big up good at CBS. Oh, okay. Austin, you look so clean. Thank you. You have to look clean, you know? Clean is good. Looking clean is good, you know? Taking care of yourself. No one good something with that, though. And I know you ladies like that. You love a man who take care of himself and him clean and all these things and whatever, don't? Yeah, on the like that something there. Which sign woman is the best? I don't know. Kimberly says she gets sleep so she can't steer. Cause poor thing can't keep up, you know. She have the loudest mouth for me, go the longest, yes, and whatever. And she a drop asleep. You understand what I say? Oh, that makes sense. She want stamina man and can't angle stamina man. Yeah. She want a man who go long and things stay later and go long and can't manage it. Yeah, Kimberly want to see in that chat there. So she stay like stamina man who go long. One man for go long. Always I say, you done already? Nah, man. 2 more hours and all these things. And quick o'clock, drop asleep, fall out. Yeah. Wayne shared first time catching a lie. Big up yourself, you know, G. Nah, well, you know. Well, you don't know if a certain thing she can't drop asleep. We not allow that. You're mad. You know, if I work where I work, you know, a woman can't drop asleep on a woman. That can't work. First of that was slant it and juke her. Yeah, no drop asleep around here. We not take them embarrassment there. You understand? We have standards in our thing. We have standards in our thing. Yeah. Nah, what you mean? Yo, star boy, you know I said, no woman a drop asleep on you when you at work, right? Any drop asleep, them a drop asleep, I must pan squeaky. Nah. And the real G them pan like chumpy. And myself here and thing and whatever. No woman a drop asleep on you must have rotted mad. We now make that happen around here. Okay. Go drop asleep and squeaky. You can't drop asleep on we. You understand? And anyway, I drop asleep, I go joking on your side. You are joking on your side. All right. Ketura, Aquarius woman are the best. And the other way around, Raga, squeaky, I go dead pan it. When you say squeaky, I go pop down pan it. No. Oh, by the way, you know, say, people, all I want to on TikTok, my flyer them post. I think I make a post with all of the flyer them for Ragabash. I beg you to just throw them out there, yeah? Just put them out. If you don't know if you download all of them and just send them all over. Share them all over, all right? Flyer them for Ragabash dip on the wall. Right? Wall, people talk like that anymore. People say wall. It's an old school thing with Facebook, you know. And thing, but some of us want to share them. Yeah, share them to stories and all these things, you know. Miss K, I want that for Raga about Aquarian woman. Well, me just say me don't know about that, so them are the best. Me don't know about that. Me don't know. What? Where you go? Come drape me. Come beat me. Right? Come beat me. Come drape me and beat me. Yeah, Maya. What you say, Maya? Maya, your foundation, you know. If you know about Fanwall days and think them days there. Miss K, you need to find out. Oh, Lord. I don't know, you know. The Scorpio woman, them man. Lord Jesus, and you hear me talk about them every day. Scorpio women, they cannot be satisfied. That's the problem with them. Them can't satisfy. No care how much them get. Right? No care how much them get, they can't satisfy. Scorpio women don't have a problem this man. We don't need some kind of celestial therapy. Not even psychiatrist can help, you know. Right? Nudge, this color suit you. Oh, you mean baby blue, yes? That's the thing they don't. Scorp. Wait, Manados. Why Elizabeth know about Manados foundation that Miss Oni Badger, top tail lie Raga. Scorpio woman cannot be satisfied. Right? Scorpio woman cannot be satisfied. Them can't satisfy. Them just don't even try to prove nothing to a Scorpio woman. Just work and thing and whatever. Nobody try to prove nothing because them can't satisfy. Leo woman now back down for true. Them Leo woman now back down. But Leo woman will go on like them want to rule you. Yeah. Leo woman will go on like them want to run your head and all them something. That's how them steer. In everything to all when Dugu are going, Leo woman go on like them want to run the show all the while. Run what kind of show all the while. Yeah, sometimes we go on a blind and make you take charge and thing and we kick back and make you do nothing, yeah? But nobody go on like you know want to come grounds out, man, and clown out, man. You know, Leo woman and all them something there. Sometimes you don't even ask if you can do certain things. You just start want to do certain things. And yo, a Leo woman who just get up and go sit down in a man's face and never ask him permission. You know, out there, you can't do them something. The Leo woman, you know, move, man. Move. Okay. Moya Raga, I miss out order on a Friday night, TamFam radio app. But when I tell you, you see, over here, I remember come out and say it, when you hear me, I flirt around the edges with it and thing. The subscriber lives, they're going to be out of order. In fact, excerpts from the out of order show them I go play in all of the subscriber live them here. That's why I want people from what year say, I respect the support and thing, but I know say someone who can manage certain things, right? I know say someone who certain type of talk to heavy phone, you know? Some of us I get the subscribers and my heads up, say, you know, the subscribers live, them I go watch it out of other style. So we're gonna make people talk up free in there and all them thing there. You understand? No, over here don't raw. So ultras, me level of ultras, me level over here don't raw. You don't raw in the Ragashanti live now, you don't raw. In fact, you can get in trouble with Tik Tok if you do it. I'm saying in the subscriber live, right? Remember, you can't say P word in the regular show. I don't allow it. Other people on TikTok them do it. But avoid the P word, avoid the F word. Okay? But I make you know, so the subscribe live them I gonna make people free up. So if you know you can't angle how some people speak raw, be careful. And if you want to hear that something there, subscribe and support the thing, all right? And me provide the entertainment and facilitate the niceness for you. That is what I do. I know if I make you feel good. Yeah. I mind thing that. Yeah. And big up my TamFam ladies them. I know Raga know if I make them feel good. Don't sip some of my coffee, come. TamFam ladies, sip some of my coffee. You know what some? Sip some of my coffee, come. Karen Rubin, no, sip some of my coffee. All right, Karen Rubin, no, put your lips on it, yeah? Come no, Karen, man, put your lips on it. No, nobody rush it, man. Just lick the edge first and thing, right? We're talking about the coffee cup, okay? Lick the edge first and thing. And then sip it and thing. Yeah, choops it a little bit first, yeah? Taste the coffee first. Taste the coffee first. Listen to me, no, man. I give you instruction, you know. If you do, I tell you if you do, man. Take your time, man. We don't in a rush here. Taste the coffee first. Yeah. And of course, your taste buds are at the tip of your tongue. So that is what you're going to taste with. Come on now. And do what Big Daddy tell you if you do. What's up? All right? Yo! Somebody said, it hot. Sir. What's the difference between VIP and ultra VIP? All right. The ultra VIP, well, it's two main difference. In a VIP, you have little drinks in glasses and thing, and, wait name the food. I want to say finger food, wings and them something there and whatever. And thing. In an ultra VIP, you got able to go backstage, right? And full food are around there, so, and you get a bottle. You get a bottle of drink, like a buckle, your own bottle. And full food are around there and thing. And it's a, you have the option for just be away from the crowd when you want and thing. A little bathroom around there, different private bathroom and them something there and thing and whatever. So so you have the VIP section, and you have the ultra VIP. Of course, who in an ultra VIP can go anyway, right? Couple of groups I get them cabanas and thing, but that. Kelly, big up yourself. All right. I'll be up late, Butterbean. Right, yes, people know see somebody in the name Angela Benjamin, she have other names. Butterbean and Mooney. Mooney a long time one, but a me give her Butterbean. Because one time, good say she a cook oxtail, Angela Benjamin yesterday. Say she a cook oxtail, you know, and bright enough bring the thing online and I show say she a cook her oxtail. People, you know, say I want black water. We see black water, just black water with some butter bean in it. And I saw me give her the name, no ox, no tail, and a few beans. And say she a cook oxtail, right? And she and me took our people know my chicken soup story, you know, when me set out for cook brown stew chicken and it end up in a chicken soup. I'm a fool the people and think and tell them say chicken soup, me did a cook and them say, yo, this is the wickedest chicken soup whatever taste and whatever. Me no make them no wiser. Say a brown stew chicken, me did a try cook and it turn out in a chicken soup. Me don't tell them say a chicken soup. All years after them see me and I beg me up. You know that chicken soup the way you didn't make, you know, that summer at Vassar, that was off the chain, my brother. Mr. No say a word, man. Good boy, good, no? Well, the same thing with butter bean. Say she a cook oxtail, no ox, no tail. I mean, I know, you know, oxtail kind of gravy dark, so I must say that, you know. I be a black water, we say, and couple into the bean, is the water black, and to the bean, them light skin. The bean, them show up, you know, so you can count the bean, them, you know, kind of in there, you know, people, 3 bean. 3 butter bean. Who a cook oxtail and end up with 3 butter bean? And now she not get over that theoretic. Yeah, she must have chumpy. She put too much brown in, man. One them people that them always invite me for co-host and then Tik Tok only make you can turn it off for 10 minutes. Yeah. Mama V, what go down? Big up yourself, you know. Yeah, are the 3 bean in a butter bean, me I telling the people who I cook oxtail and have only 3 butter bean in it. Yeah, so she in there, she named Angela Benjamin. Yeah, you see what she write? She say, the oxtail is at the bottom, move and go. Move from there. She said the oxtail them there at the bottom. People, you can't cook oxtail and the oxtail them drown. Nothing no go so. You can't cook oxtail and then the oxtail them drown. Right? We never say oxtail cook it and the oxtail them drown and they at the bottom, voyage to the bottom of the sea and down the drown. And I want to come up and show them face. How you feel cook oxtail and the oxtail them drown and down there and I send the 3 bean them. All right, we go on up right time, make the people them soon because on a light skin. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Watch somebody in the chat named Butterbean. And the person who named Butterbean said the oxtail him did a scuba dive. Not bad. No. Butterbean never beat you. Mooney never beat you. Them say you cook your oxtail. Mooney them say you cook your oxtail and your oxtail him did a scuba dive. Who are you? No, sir. No, sir. Them say you oxtail him with a scuba dive. Yeah, can't come up right here now. You see it. Seki good man. Seki their brownstone the same way, man. Seki good man. Everything is everything, see? Nikki, big up yourself, you know. Nikki says she late, but Nikki, don't worry yourself, man. As long as you come, you know. And you come that good, you know. And when you're late, you just want to know say you come, you know. You understand? Yeah. And you're good. Boy, I want to them butter bean, the history of TamFam. Want me to Karen Wildman from JUTC. Karen Wildman good, man. Still mad, see him here. Karen Wildman good. Yeah, man. She there on social media, see him here. And think, put her look weight and round up and thing and whatever. People probably think she get BBL, but I know BBL that, man. Right? She round up and, you know, yeah, body look like it can take look of workings and thing, you know? She have one of them body that you want drape her and girt her and brace her and set her and send up what you send up. You understand? So she dead out, man. And she, what's she name? Mad Driver Karen, something like so she name, because you know she drive a bus them. Mad Driver. I must say, if she could have put on weight, yeah. Well, somehow just come want to Biggie. Biggie did all up on the show what day. Where you there? You just come back. You just come back, see at the back of class, right? Because, you just come back, see at the back of class and catch up. Biggie did all upon the show what they are. Biggie up here, leave it right there, so Biggie there, a big foreign. Phenomenal Kish send up what? That will not be explained. In fact, when anything I send up, if you have even say it I send up, then you in a problem. It must be felt. Understood? All right. All right. So, me not want to the grounds out the thing today, With the fun, this week I will with the fun, right? Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up owner and family secret mix-up or any other mix-up owner radio show did nicer. No, the radio show never nicer. Nobody come by with no foolishness. We enjoyed it. This nicer. This nicer for so many reasons. I want to tell me, right? A whole bunch of want to tell me, say, the one of the thing when people always text me about say it nice, and I say, Raga, you understand how this nicer because when we listen upon radio, we can't see you. So, what is a thing now? You know what is a thing? No? And it's not me. But a whole bunch of them keep on and tell me that. I said, no, man, when the mix-up them are come in and we are watch you or you react to the mix-up, so little things where you do, them say that is entertaining. And I never get that on radio. Yeah. No, man, see cup here. Well, the big cup here talk. I work with that one today. This is where I went to my undergrad. Vassar College, right? This is in Vassar College in Poughkeepsie, New York. This is where I did my double major in African Studies and Psychology and graduated with honors. Boy, my mother was proud of me, see? Yeah. Vassar College. That's where I get my bachelor's degree in other country. That's why me and some people beat the country left, right, and center. Country have problems, from way back in our history, They don't care about certain people and then kill off enough people and all these things. But at the same time, there are certain things we're not away achieving in this country. We couldn't even achieve in our own country based on where we come from. Other people in our country can achieve it, But not for know say, not far away where we come from in our country, we never, certain things where we get for achieve up in this, we couldn't achieve it back in our country. And so admit it and done. Right? So we have to give thanks. I remember say a country is its people. So some things are change out there now. So some people are move mucky. I move wicked and thing out there, yeah. But at the same time, good people there about and, enough blessings to this. And we just want to say respect to the ancestors who drop out and sacrifice so we can there and enjoy enough of this, don't. Yeah, man, we want to say blessings to them, man. You understand? Particularly our ancestors who not get them just due for what them do for this thing and reach where it reach. Big up the Buffalo Soldiers, them when me telling them what the Bob Marley sing about. Buffalo Soldiers, right? The black people, them who fighting at the Civil War that resulted in the United States of America and the victory of the Union side. Because the Confederacy did win, this place would be a very different place today. You understand? And the other side, we not that them care about way. People love to big up President Lincoln for say him free the slave. Him never like way. Right? After the only reason why he might name him work with we is because them saying all of the black people them on the front line for fight the Civil War. The black people them win the Civil War, In America, make America can't be where it is. Yeah, man. Our ancestors them say, what we have to lose. Other side, we have more of a chance to get look of freedom from, so I could defend that side there. And Lincoln put them on the front line. And when you're on the front line, I want to make the sacrifice so the other side can come in and do this and that and that and this. You understand? And those were the Buffalo Soldiers. You understand? And them fight for this. And see what they are. Reconstruction, civil rights movement, and remember say enough black people dead for this, and even white people to them, okay? Big up you know, the abolitionists who were white people primarily who say, yo, slavery wrong and whatever we want, a better America for the future and think white people get up and fight against other white people for free black people. Know that. So we have to big up them too. So we can there. So in other country, you know, and a man like me can come here, get bachelor's degree, double major from a premier academic institution, master's degree, counseling and psychotherapy, Ph.D. anthropology, J.D. doctor of jurisprudence, law degree, me a lawyer, and whatever. You think we could have get all of them or something in Jamaica when me did I come from? Waterhouse, Augustown, Southside. It wouldn't happen. So me have to give thanks to that country. Oh. And we can there do look a show you now and you know a uniting and whatever. And a run joke and give thanks down. Alright? So enough problem in this, but remember, you know, we have all kind of problem in our life, but no cure no problem big, you know, we still have things we have to give thanks for, you know. We all have our respective problems and we not necessarily come on social media and throw them out there. But we have a different personal problems. But I tell you all the while, no care what kind of problem you have, do not ignore the blessings. You see, when you acknowledge your blessings and give thanks to the blessings, you put yourself in a whole different frame of mind, you know, will make you able to deal better with the problems. Problems have to be addressed. But if you just focus on your problem alone and just immerse yourself in your problem, you get up every day with your problem. The stress alone are going to beat you, yo. So choose your battles carefully. Nobody focus on every problem. Just pick the one them where you need to address. And while you address those problems, take time out to appreciate your blessings. Take time out for laugh. Take time out for get some good sort out. And if you can't get some good sort out, help yourself. Get a rose, back your fist or something when you're showering so you can wash it off right away. I'm just saying. Take a walk. Someone who don't even know a simple look walk in a park, you know. You have no idea how relaxing that can be. Just walk, find a park and walk and observe and watch people and whatever. That can be so relaxing, you know. Take some time for yourself, man. Go on beach and sit down, you know, make yourself a little picnic. If you alone, no found a woman who's afraid to do things by yourself. You can't go unless I need somebody to go with me. What? No, you can't do them things by yourself. Yeah, when man soon about yourself, them always make assumptions, say some desperation they there and yeah, look man and whatever. But you don't get from that, ignore them. All right? Walk or bus a piece at one corner in the park. What, Lati, what you really I said? Sean 2K, oh, you look so young and I'm listening to you from I am 8. Yo, that is funny. That is funny. Sean 2K said, oh, you look so young and I'm listening to you from I am 8. That's a line right there. That's a line right there. That's a line. Because I'm telling you, I'm an old man. I just take care of myself. I don't know my father, but I know my mother, so I have good genes from my mother, you know. Right? I have good genes from my mother, because then they say, you know, I favor my mother, so I go lucky. Jamaicans have this thing that if you favor your mother, you go lucky. You're lucky, you know, so you favor your mother. And if girl child favor them father, them go lucky. I'm just telling you what you have these Jamaican customs and thing, you know. Munchie say is pony juice why him look so young. Well, I almost kind of be resistant to that, you know, but That could be true. Me know where she there, you know. But I know there's some me there, right? She's talking about a juju facial, right? Right? I don't go to the juju spa, so I'm not the recipient of juju facials. But it could be pony juice in the sense that, you engage in processes that extract said mentioned juice. So the engagement, the physical engagement that elicit those type of juice, the one she mentioned, that keeps you young. Yes, man. That keeps you young. Anyway, when I play munching of mine, we're not playing munching of mine, okay? We're not playing munching of mine. Every man she get left her as soon as she cook for them. Munchie, what you see in the chat there. Get good man, But every man she there with. I'ma tell her, stop cook for the man them. Stop cook for them. She don't listen. She insists she can't deal with a man unless she cook for him. She don't feel complete unless she cook for him. And I'm telling her, if you just make this one adjustment in your life, you will finally be happy. She has been in the eternal, infinite pursuit of happiness with a man. And she get good man, And she get man who don't want her to cook for them, But she claim she can't deal with a man if she don't cook for them. And every man she cook for, as soon as she cook for them left her. People talk to her. She in the chat, she name Munchie. Just tell her to listen to me. Tell her, and I'm me alone. Tell her to listen to me. Tell her to listen to me. Get good man. What do she get one man? Wall Street. Investment bank up on Wall Street. Good man and thing and whatever she did have, right? Insist to take care of her and all these things. Munchie insist to go cook for the man. The man wasn't even Jamaican. Right? The man wasn't even Jamaican. I know them people when the man are from the Caribbean, you can't cook anything for them. And them say it tastes good. Just sprinkle a little all-purpose pan it and thing and them good. And not even that Miss Baffan in her kitchen there. Yeah, Munchie. Go cook for the man. She cook for the man, and she said when the man eat the dinner, she asked him, how is it? And the man paused and said, it's good. And she said, you sure? She said, the man said, it's good. She said, you sure? The man said, it's good. Munchie go push and ask the man, but you never say it's very good. Ask her, see her there in her chat, ask her. She said, but you never said it was very good. And the man go say, being nice, well, if you want me to say it's very good, I will say it's very good. But you said, but you're saying it wasn't good. It wasn't very good. Him say it's good. Next day, Munchie call him, man, can't get him. That happened on a Wednesday. The Thursday, she call him, man, can't get him. So she called we, and I said, it look like it going to happen again. Where I said, no, man, give faith. Probably might do something on the Thursday and whatever and thing. And she calling, can't get it. Right? I know Munchie don't know whatever this and that. And what day she see him on Facebook with another woman. But tell her, just don't cook. Don't cook. She and one party, Delmarine, the next one, the Delmarine. The one named Delmarine, one time she come out with one whole heap of food and I tell you how she cooking food and all these things, And I show up with food and whatever, People, if anybody knows when me I say true, when say yes, it's true, Ragashanti. Our own relative come out, From one of my life on YouTube, our own relative come out and say, it wasn't our auntie, Milo. It was our cousin. Our own relative. See the son I say true. Munchie I say lie because our party. Craigton say true. Our own relative come out and tell we, say, no, the food what she cook is me, they cook it. See the watch her. Who married now? None of them not married. Top chat fat. Sham's kitchen, right? Right? Our own relative, Del Marine own a relative, come out and tell us say the food where she did there affront with on the internet is she cook it. Anybody who knows she true, me I tell she a relative come out in a live on YouTube. Don't follow anybody who used to come from the ANC. The whole of the ANC, then them back then one another. Anybody knows she true, me I tell. See, Empress Ija, you see her right there, so? Empress Ija, she a ANC, you know, and she say true. Trumpy say true, right? Anybody, Daniel say true, right? See, people them they know say true. Munchie where you see there, right? Munchie where you see there. Say she a make porridge, can't meal porridge, people. And when everybody look on the calm meal porridge, people know so when you take enough vitamins, your people get yellow. When everybody look on the calm meal porridge, fear calm meal porridge don't look any different from piss. Munchie calm meal porridge and piss are twin. Oh, yellow water. Yellow water. The water just a glisten so. Yellow water. You understand what I tell you no? Yellow water. So when you see them look so hot and thing, now pay them no mind. Them a baffan. Them a claffian people and whatever, you understand? And the whole of them in the ANC. That's what. Sashi Flex, big up yourself, you know, me charge you. Right? The whole of them in the ANC and people, for those that don't know, I'm new to the thing. The SDC, my crew, the Spray Them crew, ever war with them in the ANC, the Ants Nest crew. And me tell you what happened at Ragabash now. Because it finalized. Them a get a cabana. Now, me not gonna lie, you know. When the war always a go on, them go all out. Me not go around the thing. Them always, them whap way up, you know, in terms of the competition, them, you know, them whap way up. So, me I tell the truth, them not tell the truth. Right? For example, Del Noreen still insists not to tell people, say, when she did young up a Constitution Hill, she was a champion hog rider up there. Yeah, that them do, them ride hog, I feel them think that. It's a thing with them, you know, right? Me tell truth. So me I tell them, say, yo, them always whap you up. But, at this Ragabash, we in the SDC, we already said, the old cross is ANC them, you know, them are going to shell out them cabana and make them cabana look wicked and nice and whatever. So we are planned for them too. So the SDC, we want to know, Ragabasha come up the SDC, we are going to add with our cabana. Yeah, we decorate it up. And just so you know, for them color pink and grey. And our one are yellow. For them color pink and grey, SDC are yellow. ANC a pink and grey. So, you know, say them are going to come out with them decoration and all them something there and whatever. You understand what I say? But we are coming with our one too. See, you see that one there when you're Naki B? She had the auntie in her group. And you see anybody you see near Aunt Tasha, she a mama aunts. We not follow on a Munchie. We not follow on. Right? Because we have ambition. If we follow on, we don't have no ambition, right? If we follow your Munchie, we end up and make porridge will look like piss. Who wants to follow that? Nobody. That any sensible somebody wouldn't want to do that. Okay. Any DJ Swiss Red Hat Radio here. Red Hat Radio as in Ellie. How I go on this? Right. When I look down over there and think, right, I understand, right? You have got SDC crew, Tall Her, Marsha, Sham. Oh, I got to take off that something. And we are going to take Dog Bite in our crew, you know, because Dog Bite did a farm him on a crew and nobody never go in our crew with him farm. And him end up as a prodigal child out in the wilderness and things, so we did have to go save him, you know. Because whenever one time the predators out there, the lion and the tiger and them thing, they go chamba him up. So we gave him a home. Right. Kimberly said, I will never look at porridge the same again. See there? People, we at Jamaica, we grew up in we say broke up hardwood bread in a porridge and thing. You understand what I'm saying? Right? When we broke up bread in our porridge in a Jamaica, the bread no move. When Munchie make her piss porridge and she broke up bread in night, the bread them just a swim, so them just a swim all over. The bread them a dive and a come up and thing and we like them their Olympics and thing. The bread them a do synchronized dance. You know them synchronized dancing, something that what the woman them do in the water. And that the bread them a do. And that the bread them a do in a monkey piss porridge, you know. In a Munchie piss porridge, you know. What? At Jamaica we come from, you put hardwood bread in a porridge, bread no move because porridge thick and nice with the right thickness in it and thing. When Munchie put the bread in a fair porridge, the bread them a do synchronized dancing and thing and whatever. You see bread a go so the dough gone over here, so flour gone on there, so the bread back gone up, so whatever, all kind of thing the bread them a do. The bread them got upside down, then come back around, them dive down, come up and do that something. Synchronized dancing the bread them a do in our piss water caramel, yellow water caramel porridge. One day she got post one meal and we all said, no man, this look good. And we all said, no sir, we shocked. We almost go in a coma. We almost have to go emergency room or something or whatever, a thing like that. Because we all said, boom, only if we find out is our mother cookie food. Munchie mother cookie food. They're imposters. Is our mother cookie food. The ANC people and people not pay them the mind. Right? Them have a whole heap of hype and bluster. And them always are take it to the SDC. You understand? Well, so neither one of them can cook. Neither one of them can cook. Listen, nobody in the SDC can cook. None of them can cook. None of them can cook. They only rank and full of chat. Then Raga make you do Munchie so bad. Me I do Munchie bad. I am just restating facts. That's all I'm doing. I am just restating facts. What you want to interpret from it, that is your business. I just tell you what happened and you reach whatever conclusion you want to reach. Okay. DJ Swiss from Red Hat Radio with DJ Elia. All right, DJ Swiss, big up yourself. All right, and you don't know. Tell Ellie say me need to give him an ad for run over Red Hat Radio. And DJ Swiss, when me send over the ad, me want you shell it out for me here for Ragabash, my birthday party, Saturday, September 20th in Amazura. No, he was right. SDC. Okay. Ainsley girl. But Munchie is a nice girl. Me never say she never, Me never say she never nice. But nice no means say you can't cook. And when nice have to do it if your porridge look like, what nice have if your porridge look like a piss river, right? Yeah? What nice if your porridge look like Junja water, yeah? What nice have to do if you say you make porridge and when you put hardwood bread in it, them look like them in a one whirlpool. What nice have to do with that? You can be nice and have fun. You can be nice and can cook. You can be nice and when you go in your kitchen say, oh God, not again. Right? It happens. Oh yeah, make mistake. By the way, cooking is a thing these days. Munchie don't have to worry about that. Watch out. You see, look what Naki report. She said, by the way, is cooking a thing these days? She said, cooking is nothing. You see it? When them know say them can't do something because Naki be she know. And again, me I go ask you if I lie, me I tell. Naki be in the ANC too, you know, she had the auntie, you know. Naki B herself, she come out and talk, say, She don't do the cooking in her family. Is her husband do it, and everybody love her husband cooking and thing more than I told me I tell her like. Does she come out and say, well on? Anybody did see the TamFam get together? We had 2 TamFam get together, right? And anybody see the last one? It up on YouTube, right? Now, Papa Ants, who is the husband for Mama Ants, them man they are world-class chef. Them man they in a class by themselves. But the second TamFam get together, who did I cook with Papa Ants? Naki B husband. It wasn't Naki B, it was our husband. Right? See, the star boy says Shanti not tell lies. Brap, 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 brap. See it? Don't follow me. It is over YouTube. Pan the TamFam TV channel over YouTube. The TamFam TV channel. And look if you no, ask her in the chat. Naki B, who did a cookie food with Anthony, with Papa Ant at the TamFam get together? No, your husband. It wasn't you. And your point is, you see, that's a little skirting around the issue. She not answer it, you know. So she basically I say, yeah, I'm a husband did a cook. Yeah. I'm a husband cooking food at our house and all them something because him love cook, right? And so, that's basically what and so, all right. But yeah, both husbands are a part of ANC. So, that not count, right? Because people don't know what's going on. If you have your wife and thing and whatever, and your wife in one crew where a war with Ragashanti over our next crew, right? If me and my wife and she in the ANC and the ANC a war with somebody like Ragashanti over our next side, it is in my best interest to declare myself, say I am in that crew because that going to cause problem at my home and I don't want that. So of course the husband them exercised their due diligence and realized that in the interest of maintaining or promoting or establishing and sustaining marital harmony, then them better declare themselves in at the ANC. I would have done it too like them. They're smart. Right? Because the way Ragashanti will pay me out and take it to them. Any of them even appear neutral. Because Anthony, Papa Ants did try if he appear neutral at first, Yeah, man, and them did a wallet, And me I tell you, at the times when him a say him neutral, when we did I take it to them and I wire them in a public, and we I say, Anthony, Ray, and him, yeah, then. You can turn off co-host invitation for this. Yes, good. Yeah. Yeah, and at the time, initially, when time we award the ANC, them, SDC award them, and Anthony, him always I said, no, I'm not involved in this. So he was neutral at first, And I noticed at the time, then when him did a neutral, Mama Ants, him wife, did I give him some little side eye, I give him some little side eye. And then them had a meeting. They had a meeting. And somehow in the meeting, I think it was communicated to Mama Ants, say, you have to do something about your husband, because when time reference I make, when war go on between them and the SDC, them notice that the husband has stay neutral and them tell Mama Ants say it don't look good. It don't look good. And it's some Mama Ants say, all right, me have to go work on him. Now people, me don't know what that work pan entail, But whatever happen, say Mama Ants take it to her husband. And whatever happened, the result was when this man came back, a man declared himself, I am now formally a member of the ANC. Something happened behind closed doors with husband and wife who know each other for donkey years. Them know themselves, them different a little bit. It's a whole heap of history there, so don't even try to mess with that. Don't even try to mess with that. So My best guess is she put it on him. She put it on him and convince him. I mean, a man, we know as a woman, una have a look style, and the Sykes, una come and ask people certain questions at certain point. Where una kind of paint in a corner. Bob Marley, famously, in an interview, him did I tell, but the brother name, him say Marley and me, so we write the book. Him say, one time, Bob say, him and Cindy, junior gang mother, assault out. Now sure no woman wicked, you know. Him and Cindy assault out. And him saying at the miggle, when him dead there, I do him thing. Him say Cindy look up to him and just hold him and say, Bob, do you love me? A man say, Bob say, can you know Bob have a way when him talk, you know, like him. So like him, I say, then Junior, if I and I went on there. Then Junior, I and I juggle with I and I Queen, you know. And I dip on the downstroke. He used that word, the downstroke. And I dip on the downstroke. And you go ask I if I love you. And me dip on the downstroke. What you expect me to say? At that moment, I love you. Of course I love you. I'm a dip on the downstroke. Right? Oh, you mean? You hear something in the body downstroke and a woman I gonna ask you if you love. Of course I love you. I love you dearly. I love you from here so go beyond Pluto and whatever. A fool you take man for. Yeah. At that moment I love you. You understand? So one of them have a style, you know, when them bring up certain things, you know, woman wait, you know, for ask you certain things at certain points, you know. And then when they got answer in the affirmative, you say, when the argument start all 6 months later, then you did tell me say you love me or whatever. But you asked me that when I did almost ready for pop off. If me and you do, I'm almost ready for pop off and you ask me if I love you. Of course, love a bubble up for you at that point. So I strongly believe that Anthony being of, because Anthony's not a fun. Anthony's not in the hoopla and the craziness. And he's not that type of man, you know. He's just understated, mellow, humble. Right? Anthony not care for spotlight on them something, you know. Right? But love him wife, love him family and thing like just a wonderful, amazing person now. So can you imagine just an amazing human being like Anthony, right? And him wife, I go pressure him. Of course, him I go declare himself for the ANC. The lad was manipulated. Raga, your show still keep? Which show you attack? Oh, you mean Tambourine Radio? Well, you said, you know what? Who want Tambourine Radio for start back? Who want Tambourine Radio for start back? Yes, me. Yes. Yes, me, yes. Everybody are gonna say yes. No, but we are talking about people who know, you know. No, because you know why I ask? There's a lot of people out there who say radio dead now. Like a social media do it. You can't have radio and things. But a lot of radio stations are online. And a lot of people, no. If Tambourine Radio start back in, that means we stop the show up on TikTok. You mad? Not only that, we can do the TikTok show and run back the audio then on Tambourine Radio down. Yeah, even have like a Tambourine Radio and a TamFam TV, and then, you know, you don't even know, yeah. Somebody said, what is Tambourine Radio? Poor you new Ocean, no worry, you will catch on here. Of course, we can have both. We're living in a time now when we can't board. All right, people, here we go on. Somebody said only subscribers. No, we'd have to open it to people. But so again, people, like Thursday, today or Wednesday, no? Today or Tuesday, no? Today or Tuesday. Thursday, I'm telling you from now because someone know Thursday, we're going to have a sub only live. No, today or Wednesday. Tomorrow, we're going to have a sub only. I'm busy. Don't worry. Don't worry. Tomorrow, after the show, we're going to have a sub only live. In that sub only live, only for subscribers, because I see somebody get vexed already. So before I start take some call in the request box, I go just say something to you, yeah? Hold on, what? Okay, and that time. I like a look at sound there, see? So tomorrow, I'm telling you from now, tomorrow, we're going to have a sub-only live after the regular live. In that sub-only live, tomorrow, I'm going to start the excerpts from Outer Order. So it's going to saucy. It's premium content. And that is why I'm offering it to subscribers. Also, many of you know say, the reason why I did stop Outer Order is when I have my daughter, right? Now, I'm not getting too much with that, but me just, you know, when I'm looking at something there, you just get a little emotional moment. You know, I have a daughter. And then, with my 3 kids, she had the last one too, you know, so. Yeah, I'm start med something. You know, look at me there, you go through something, John Wayne. So, my thing, all these years, I've always like, no, I'm going to do back something Outer Order style, you know, but I don't want it to be too open and public, you know? So this is perfect. It is something where you have to pay to come into a private space, right? Right? So I know something will go out there like that, okay? Also, I don't know someone want to do this, you know. Yeah, I'm still figuring out how to I enjoyed what I do right now. I enjoy this. Yeah, somebody come and I said, then you look so young. I listen you when I was 8, right? A long time I do this, decades, right? When you do something so long, you enjoy. You understand? I enjoyed. I would love to just do this by itself. I see a whole heap of people on social media doing really well, and that's all them do, social media. And y'all know some of them too. Yeah, I'm going to be like them with my thing, you know? So I'm still trying to figure that out. And people are helping me to do that, right? So TikTok have this thing where you can have subscribers. No, TikTok take a lion's share out of it and whatever. But TikTok have like a supermarket approach to things. You know, so TikTok take like 60. When you do gifts, you know, TikTok take up to 70% out of it, you know. Which is crazy. And initially when I look at it, I was like, yo, is that like a sustainable business model? And thing. But where TikTok differs from the other platform is that them take out the lion's share, you know. But the genius with TikTok thing is that is them algorithm. I don't know how them do it. But TikTok, the goal of social media is to keep you on social media. When you see social media sending them things, they say hi to so-and-so, follow so-and-so, this and that. They just want to keep you on it, you know, because that benefit them. And that's how they make their millions. And then they do what is called data mining. They extract all kind of information about you, but you have to be there for them to do it, right? And the way they keep you there is through the algorithm, the computer programs with things there to get you to do, right? So that's why if you come from Kingston, Jamaica, they're going to give all these people from Kingston, Jamaica and say, you may know these people Because them want you to stay there. So they mine the data, and then them sell back the data to all kind of people in different way, or just avenue there, advertising income and thing. But TikTok's computer program algorithm is vastly superior to all the others out there. What am I doing for them algorithm? I don't know. But TikTok algorithm bad. So bad that even when them take 60-70% out of the cut, the Amazon sales model come into effect. What is the Amazon sales model? Amazon, when you sell something on Amazon will take, anyway, depending on where you sell, all 40% Amazon take out of it, or 50% and thing. TikTok take 60-70%. But here's the thing. If you are sell a table, and you sell a table for $100, if you sell a table by yourself, you get the $100. If you sell it on Amazon, you only have to get $60. So somebody may say, why you put your product on Amazon if you only get $60? What they don't understand is when you are sell your table by yourself, you may send 10 tables for 1 month. And you get $1,000. 10 times 100, $1,000. But when you sell your table on Amazon, even though them take out 40% out of the money, you may sell 1,000 tables on Amazon because of them distribution strength. 1,000 times $60, you end up with $60,000 as opposed to the 10 table where you get your full profit from. It's the same thing with TikTok. It's like a supermarket thing, you know, where the volume is so huge that even though the profit markup is small, you still make a profit. Because you sell bully beef, boop, 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 boop. TikTok algorithm just reach everybody. It's the numbers that count. So people, that's why TikTok I whap them up now. Because you see, when me go in a one sub live, TikTok algorithm I send out to people, you know, come spend 1 minute over here, so it'll work. You don't have to do that. Right? TikTok bad like yours with them something there, right? And that, you know, that is their strength. All right, real quickly now before we start take some call. I see somebody post something over there, and I never surprised because I not get it and thing, right? When we go sub live, somebody post and say, oh, Raga go sub live now. It is so unfair. I be a genuine people come over here, watch and listen to him and him go sub live. That is unfair. Unfair. Remember, you know, millions and millions of people do subscription on TikTok, you know, millions upon millions. But when we do it, it's unfair. Here's the problem with those people. You see, when it comes to their own, they don't support their own. In fact, they believe they're entitled to the product and the service from the hard-working people who are like them. But they have no problem paying top dollar to strangers out there. So when them see them own a hustler and a bill a look at thing, I say look at clothes out of one car back and whatever, and them pressure them and this and that, me not pay for that and whatever. But them have no problem going to Nordstrom, whatever. Them even brag about it, video themselves about it, I pay a top dollar for the product out there. You have always had these people, and them will cuss you out and tell us, you now do this and that and whatever, this and that, on the basis that they're entitled to your thing. Then you go and look at your dressing parlor, them go and look at them, go this and that and whatever from them own, and them treat them own. It's a thing among some people out there. Them treat them own certain way. But them will go to strangers I no complain. Them a go, me see them in a Louis Vuitton, you know. And them a count money in a Louis Vuitton and bragging and this and that. Me see people post video and this and that, you know. But when them a go buy from them, man, I don't pay nothing for that and whatever. Wait, this and that and whatever with them own. Me, I get it for a long time. And at the first, when me just start getting them, I couldn't understand it, you know, because the logic is just so weird. And it was in Jamaica. And you did have these people, they would come up to me and say, yo, Raga, beg you something, you know. You say, give me a thing to them, you know. Me give people money all the while. But I can't give everybody money. So there are these people in Jamaica, you know, there are times when I say like, no, I don't have that today, you know. Raga, just give me a thing, man, what you mean? And I say, no, I don't have it today. Raga, you see how you're going? You see how you're going? I'm always a listen to you, you know. I'm always a listen to you, you know. One lady say, yo, me listen this, you know. She say, me here say you give her money all the while. Me say you give her money on your show, which I did the Mixup and Blenda them. I'm listen your show, you give her money all the while. Imagine I ask you for something and you can't. But now listen you again. Right? So somewhere in a film equation, remember, you know, I am offering a product that because Jamaica at the time did have 27 radio stations, like 21 nationwide and 6 regional, something like so. And me, I offer a product where you choose to come listen because there is something about the product that you like. So you leave all of the other radio stations and you come listen to my product because there is something there that you're enjoying. So you make that choice. I don't even know you. So you make that choice to get something good from this. And in choosing to come listen my show because there is something in my show where you can benefit from, you then turn around now and say, you're entitled to something from me because you are listening to me. So the woman now who make the post what there, I respond to her. And I say, millions of people are subscribed. And you come over here and now come have a problem with me. Not only that, you come and post it and I talk about it's unfair. So I say, no, you know, some of my time, if we depend on our own for support and thing and that would have never reached nowhere and thing like that, but unfair. I say, unfair where? You know what the woman right back? She said, but what you mean I support you? You know how much time I tap up the screen for you? I'm going to follow you. Now think about that for a second. Me come over here and bother on for follow me, you know. So I make that clear. I am very thankful for all who follow me, right? Because I tell you, in this business, you see, if you're an architect and you design something in your own little room, that's different. If you're an accountant and you're there at the back end and you do the books and whatever, and even them, you still need customers, you know, but you're just in your own space and do your own thing, you know. You see, when you're in a media or anything to do with performance, you could have named Brad Pitt, you could have named Anthony Hopkins, you could have named Denzel Washington. You are only as good as the people who turn up for watch you and listen to you. It no matter who you are. So if you in other business here, like I am, and you don't respect the people who turn up for watch you just lose already. Right? So me know that. So me not take one for granted. Right? Because we have whole heap of options out there, even though I know I'm providing something where we're drawn to for different reasons. But in this day and age, we have thousands of options up there. So there is some loyalty there when I say, no, I rather say, you know. There is some loyalty there when I say, boy, man, I really go out in on the money and heavy like that, you know, but me I go rather party, go support him. Yeah, and you have to respect that. But we also live in a day and age where you have some people out there now. So she basically going to say to me, no, you're not supposed to do subscriber live like millions of people are doing. You not supposed to do it because I want access to it. But I don't have no money for pay for it. And if I don't have any money for pay for it, you must make it free. So you must turn up here, and if that is the way you can derive some income from your work and what you do, then you can't do it if me not get to access it free. Now, mind you, this is a person saying this after me did broadcast for almost 4 hours and then say me I go in at the sub live. So me sit on here for 3 hours and 40 something minutes and to get that free, me I go in at the sub live for about half hour, and that is her reaction. That I am being unfair because she follow me and tap up screen for me. So me or she something now where me not supposed to go live like millions of people go live because she want that product free. And again, she's not reflective of everybody, obviously, because there are a lot of people here who listen me and for whatever reason, them can't go in at the sub, and I'm like, okay, boom, but at least me get the show. And them cool, and them understanding. But you gotta have the element there, so I'm telling her, look out for them, because she won't be the last. She won't be the last. And for many of you out there, entrepreneurial activities and thing, just pay attention to them people and when them come around, because them would demonize and say all kind of things about what supposed to do or what not do. And them same people there, when you see them Ghana, yasso and a brag on social media and them spend them big money and whatever and thing, when them go Saks, Fifth Avenue and whatever, you think them a ball down anybody or this and whatever. No. Them go in there knowing them are going to spend them money and spend them money in there and come out and make video and brag about it. You can chat to me, $500 I pay for this and and brand this and brand that and whatever. But you are sell something for $60 and whatever and thing like that and them want it free. You must kill up yourself for them and them entitled to your thing. Right? Them out there. I want to just know so them out there, navigate around them and give thanks to the people them who support you. And not give them type of pressure there. Give thanks to the people them who say, some Melissa Raga and thing like that or whatever, and him do him sub live. Boy, I not a card for do them something there and I not no money or whatever, but boy, I wish I could have do it, but give thanks at least him there I give with the show for 3 hours or whatever, night time or whatever, and then him go do him sub live and give thanks to them people too. And then give thanks to the one them who subscribe to. Remember, enough people who subscribe, they don't need to subscribe. Them just support me, So you have to give thanks to them there too. But just understand the negative one them when them come. And just remember, it's a human thing. Like I always say, except for people with various psychopathologies where they embrace their demonic conduct. You have some sick people who just do harm to others and they relish in it, And they're like, yeah, me do this, man. We kill somebody and rare. But except for those, most human beings who do bad things, they don't know they're doing bad things. Most human beings who do bad things to others create a justification. They're doing it intentionally with some form of understanding that what they're doing is noble and fair, but they're doing a bad thing to someone. Just understand that about people. And very often that justification involves some sort of demonization of you. So most people who are going to do something bad to somebody else, them come up with a reason why that person deserves the thing that is done to them, that in the end it's saying what they're doing to them is not bad or they deserve it. So them are going to demonize you, them are going to find somewhere to demonize you. And it's so you hear Miss Lady now I come out with the word unfair. it's unfair for Ragashanti to do a subscriber live because me follow him and me tap up the screen for him. So it's unfair for him to do that. Raga owes me. Raga cannot go and do a subscriber live. And again, I'm saying, remember, that same person will pay them money for Netflix. That same person will pay them subscription for them beauty sitting with whatever. That same person will pay them money for going to a Carib theater. That same person will pay them money for go BRT or Sons or whatever, or this and that, all white, and you know. But even that too is a problem. I see people pay money for go, hey, I know people pay money for go Beyonce show, you know. Beyonce show, that not cheap, you know. Them pay money for go Beyonce show. And when them go Beyonce show, them video themselves in a Beyonce show, you know, man. And post up the video and them there Beyonce show and them at out the most expensive this and that, you know. That's something I tell you, know. And when me I keep an event, them want a free ticket for coming. And is that me alone them do it too? It's just so them stay, them do it to them own, who in a business out there, entrepreneurs, them do it in a, you know, whatever, you understand? Them a beg me ticket for come my event. And when me said to them, say, no, you can't just buy the ticket. You know, long we support you, and this and that, when I can give you a ticket and whatever and thing like that. Even uptown people do that thing that too, you know. That's why here Jamaica Jazz Festival flop and never continue, you know. The people them said, yo, the Jamaican people them, the bossy people that kill them with request for free ticket. Shaggy said him stop for him sure what him did I do down the time. I said, no, the free ticket just get out of hand and whatever. So them time, man, if you follow them, man, them make your thing flop, man. You understand? Trumpy say, yeah, they open at the top of the arena behind a curtain for $400. Yeah, but them will come cuss you and them thing there and whatever and tell you, say, you know, you know for doing live because under $6 for the month, you know, a subscriber live and that's $6 for the month. They will tell you, say, you're wicked if you could do something like that. Them out there, man. Anyway, people, big up on yourself. Peaches and cream. And thank you for your patience just now. You know the unpredictability of this show. It can go in any direction. We can end up having some form of commentary and thing like that. Before we go take some calls in the request box. People, this thing are with Theo. We call him Theo, but his name is Malcolm Jamal Warner, something like that. And thing, but we know him as Theo from the Cosby Show. And as many of you know, he unfortunately lost his life, you know, on the beach in Costa Rica. And apparently he was in the water with his 8-year-old daughter. And they got in some kind of difficulty with somebody else too. And some people who were surfing, they managed to get the daughter out and thing and whatever. But the man thing name must have Riptide. If that catch you, you know, dog name your supper, you know, man. It dry you away and thing like that. I mean. And there are ways to swim around it. And good swimmers know how to swim around it. But even good swimmers, even though you know if you swim with it or whatever, if you get out of it, you still have to can't swim good. Much less overcoming the shock of it happening to you at that moment and then to have the composure to apply whatever it is you need to apply in order to get out of it. It's just crazy. But it's that thing when the current drag you where you can't, you know, the water something there, you know. And it's just sad. And some of you younger than us, you know, it not gonna really mean as much to you, but you have to understand that for us, the Cosby Show, big up the other black sitcom them, but for us, the Cosby Show was revolutionary in that it demolished the myriad of caricatures and stereotypes about black people that the networks were accustomed to showing, which is poor black family and thing, or black people that fight racism all the while, as in the Jeffersons, poor black people, good times, or something in the hood, they used to call those movies the blaxploitation movies and things like that. So that was the standard diet of entertainment media that that supposedly displayed what's going on amongst black people from the African diaspora. So when the Cosby Show came out, with this family, this successful black family, where you had a lawyer and a doctor, and they were actually still dealing with everyday stuff about the family that wasn't enclosed solely in the context of race, but explored all the different hues and gradations of the human experience, what it means to be living and things, different something, and developmental issues with children. It was just beautiful for us. And then the characters were just pretty good, Felicia Rashad and Bill Cosby, they brought that sensibility there where, after a while, you felt like you were in the family, you felt like you knew them, And then some of them came and, some of the characters came later in the series, and some left, but some stayed right through. Theo was one of them who stayed right through. Rudy stayed right through. And of course, the mom and dad and so forth. So for us, many of us, we grew up with Theo. It's like, we grew up with Theo, man. And then the randomness of his passing, is just, there's a man, he's doing something for his family, and he said, let me take you on a nice vacation, and they go down to Costa Rica and all that stuff and things like that. And then, for that to happen, it's just sad. But it's an opportunity for us to just say, listen, people, another incident has occurred that is a reminder to you is, people, enjoy every day that you have. Enjoy your loved ones. Call them, check in upon them, wagwan. As much as you can, push yourself to put aside pettiness and, put aside the tendency or the inclination to make small things, big things when you don't need to. It's not easy because it can be hard. But, every day is a gift, And you in this thing, we all have to go at some point, right? That I always say that is one departure lounge that nobody can avoid. We all came here, and we all got to go. And just a reminder, every one of you are here because a sperm beat out millions of other sperms. When that egg was fertilized, for most of us, you have all kind of different types of way of having children. But when that egg was fertilized, there were millions of other sperms, that had they got through, you wouldn't be here. It would have been somebody else. Think about it. It wouldn't be somebody else. Don't believe that if any sperm get through, it's the same person that will come. No. Every one of those sperm represent a potential person that is individualized from the rest. So from the beginning, you're here because that sperm beat the odds and resulted in you. And then not only that, remember also, many of us were the descendants of our ancestors who survived 400 odd years of people hind and quartered. You know what that is? Them get 4 horses and them tie up, each part of the person and just rip them into 4. That is what the wicked people them did that do. Lynching, killing and thing. When them bring ancestors over, the suffering was so bad that some of them just say no and just jump off and commit suicide in the Atlantic. Some of those ships, they were destroyed, and all of the cargo of hundreds of our ancestors, them drop out. Then when them come over here and think about it. For generation after generation after generation, for 400 and odd years, they survived. So you have people born in a slavery and live right through slavery and end up have a youth or a daughter, so, and that daughter they born in a slavery and live right through slavery and survive right through till them dead. When them are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 or whatever. And it kept going, resulting in us. So we are the sons and the daughters of those who survive. So life must mean a lot to we. Life have to mean a lot to we. And never want to lose sight of that. I say, you don't have to enjoy on the life. Enjoy on the life, man. Eat on a bull on a pier. Watch on a local movie, them and thing and whatever. And play to them, and sort out and, dance and jog and I like Munchie, you make your carmine porridge look like pee-pee. Do whatever it is will make you happy. But be thankful that you have this thing you call life, because enough people dead feet. And one sperm fight off millions of sperm to come true for you did bad. And then enough of our ancestors in generation past dead feet. Enough of them did think about for just kill themselves and them say, no, me not do it, and them live the rest of them life. That we had to end up have youth and make sure so that youth they survive and whatever, and that youth they end up to be your great grandfather, your great grandmother, and if them never did survive, you wouldn't even dare. That's how I see it, So you see, based on a framework, me at a stage right now, I just understand, so people are going to betray you. People are going to come for you. People are going to style you. So me not live my life like that, nothing happen to me. I just understand so that going to happen. And the more you do well, and the more you're going to have people that celebrate your success and your growth, and the more you're going to have the other element there find some way to draw you down, or to exploit you, or to take away you have or whatever. And you just have to figure out how to manage them as best as you can. When I make them draw out in a negativity and you're over there miserable, I cuss them and I war them and I give them all these attention and I pay so much attention to the negative people in your life that you ignore the good people in your life. You know how much I want to write, I pay attention to people who you're in a war with and not pay nowhere near as much attention to all of the people in your corner, loyal people who did the fear from foundation. You don't even give them the love what them deserve. You don't even tell them that. You know how much I want to do that? Yeah, man. I remember the saying where we grew up with, my brother in Ph.D, him live by it, Whatever you water, that I go grow. Whatever you give your attention to, that I go consume your mind and your body. Whatever you give your attention to, that is who you are. The thing where you spend most time doing, that is who you are. Identity, at the end of the day, is patterned behavior, routine behavior, repetitive conduct. Whatever you water, that will grow. So even if you think that the people them wicked and all them something, you can't believe that, but you spend the whole of your life Every day you get up and pay attention to the bad things that them are do to you. Are you a water it? All right? So you have to discipline yourself. Fight the battles when you need for fight. Sometimes a guy come for you have to step to him, yeah? Sometimes a guy has step to one of your loved one and you have to defend them, yeah? But don't live the whole of your life, fight them people and whatever, because you would have made the choice to remain in that zone of conflict and stress. So you have to balance on the thing, and that necessarily mean avoid them. And when them style you and say this and that about you, ask yourself, do I need to pay this person attention? Do I need to respond to them? No, enough times you don't. Because you never know when your hour will come. Theo never know. It's Malcolm is in here. We know him as Theo, right? Him never know. He was doing a good thing, took his family on a vacation, and this thing happened to him. So the randomness of life, right, and thing is such that, enjoy every day, man. Enjoy on yourself, people. Take care of yourself, take care of the loved one, and focus on the positive. And just know so you can't get rid of negativity and thing. Them people are out there, and them are comfy and try for misery love company and thing like that. And you see it, ignore it, man. Step away from it. And sometimes when you step away from it, them are going to beat you. Them are going to say this and that about you and whatever. But you protect your mental health. You protect, your sanity. You avoid stress. You take care of you. I remember stress show up on you. I don't need to tell you that. Right? Remember we in Jamaica, I said, look how she draw down to nothing, stress. Right? Stress make you all around, you see the person earlier who today was said, no, sir, me I listen from me I eat. Oh, you look so young. You see, whatever me teach, I apply. Let me say that again. Whatever me teach, I apply. Whatever value me see in a something, me apply it. I always tell people, education without application is essentially useless. Education without application is useless. How many times on the internet I want to see these wonderful quotes, I want to see these insightful quotes, I want to say, boom, but this is true. I'll save it, on a screenshot it and thing. But I don't apply it. So in that individual moment, it feels good. The knowledge resonates with you, but you don't engage in the difficult process of applying it to your life to the point and keep applying it when it's difficult to the point where it becomes second nature and it becomes easy. It's not perfect for me. I have a temper. Me have a temper. And it's a temper when I've been working on for years, for say, ignore certain things. It's still there. So it's not something where it just happened like that. You have to keep applying it. So when I say, boy, and you look young and all them something there, it's not by accident. For years now, I've been disciplining myself. Avoid stress, avoid negative people, leave them alone and whatever, because stress show up on you. Stress affects your immune system. Stress affects your capacity to withstand diseases. Stress affects your pigmentation, and you know that, when you know stress and whatever, ladies, it affects on a cycle. It affects bumper come out upon you, it affects eczema. Sustained stress impacts your appearance. Sustained stress make you look popped down. Not even good clothes where you put on can save you. The stress still show up on you. So it's your responsibility to take care of you. Nobody can make anybody happy. Everybody can make themselves happy. Nobody can make you happy. When you think of somebody and make you happy, no. The person that we think make you happy and them make you happy. You have chosen to be happy based on how that person move. You still make the choice. I don't need to tell you, you have a whole heap of people out there with these incredible people in them life, and them still not happy. People that do the most for them and dead for them, and you just don't feel a thing that with them, you're just not happy. So it's not what them do, I want to go on in your mind. Ignore the leave out the stress, go around them, and make them people that come with them crosses upon you and show them, project them crosses upon you, and then you have to blame them feet when it's you choose to take it on. You don't know when your time will come, so enjoy every minute you want to have right now. Theo gone, you still there. The whole way have to go. So it comes down to how you live this. Enjoy this. Laugh, learn, and grow. That Raga say. Right? Laugh, learn, and grow. That Mass Raga say, yeah. And sometimes I go through them look at something, I go laugh over here, but anybody I listen to, I know I always do them look at something periodically, you know? As a reminder. But you have to apply it. Don't do the same thing where it sound good in the moment, the sermon sound good, the message sound good, and whatever. I want to get up every day. Tomorrow, or after the show, when somebody say, ask your mama or whatever, or you keep my money, remember what Raga did say, all right, I'm going to apply it now. You know, some want to answer that drunk yeah, but I'm going to apply it. It's hard, you know, but I'm going to apply it. Do I need to fight this person and argue with this person? No. I maintain my peace, you know. Do I need to stress about this billion when I can't pay? Yeah, I can't pay. I don't have the money right now. All right. Let me do something about it. When I get the money, I pay it. But I can't make this thing and make me not sleep because I can't pay the bill. That'll stress you out. Because you not sleep. And sleep impacts everything in your life. Everything. Looks, your ability to concentrate, everything. You know, your posture, everything. Your sex life, everything. So you have to get your sleep, which means you have to ignore your stress and protect your peace. All right? Laugh, learn, and grow. Yeah, sometimes some things just happen and then messages come out and things, and I know say some people benefit from them and things. See? And we give thanks, no? So anybody, anything you get from this today, embrace it. All I ask you to do is apply it. Okay? Apply it. I want to see me do it. You see, some people come at me with some things and I say, no, block and delete. Now I gotta argue with them, which is very different from the Raga of yesteryear. Because, you know, so when me rub out people back in the day, you know, and take them on, you know, and nothing normal, and me send them up all about, you know, man. You understand? Think different, you know. All right? All right. Thank you for your latitude in allowing me to just run a local meds pound and thing. Just remember, apply it. All right. Forever grateful, big up yourself. Kimberly said, I used to be like that back in the day. So Kimberly, what? Kimberly used to cuss and chase them off down with a Scotch bonnet mouth. Winston, with your show, I have learned to ignore most things to protect my joy, peace, and happiness. Yes, man. Charlotte Breast, big up. Craigtown, large up. All right. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Family secret mix-up or any other. Yeah, look on all CBS, simmer down, you know. CBS was a warrior back in our day, so she look innocent and thing, you know. Oh, a gangster back in our day, you know. All right. All right, and all who there, if you don't know, follow me yet, follow me now. Remember, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. All on know there. Wow, never knew I was getting boxing lessons from my father. Whoa. See, some people go through something, you know. All right. Yeah, you know, some of us CBS birthday today. It is always shocking to know that people in the ANC did actually born like human. Yeah, that's shocking. But once you get past the shock, for know, so them did actually born. Let's be nice. So, I want to say big respect to CBS. I celebrate our band day today, you know, and thing, you know. So, right away, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CBS, the source of untold stress, all crosses in a ANC, who steer just like munchy porridge will look like pea. Happy birthday to, and of course, you can't have this without the infamous Ragashanti Luther Vandross ending. Know that. Proper. All right. Well, there you serious. Big up yourself. You know, Raga loves you, and people give her some love. It's we say I call her CBS. It's Christina Brown Sugar. She's in the chat right there. Just a great person, people. Let me tell you, man. Christina, I'm one of them people, man. Like Christina, Antasha, and Java is like that too, you know. Yeah, we have a look a friendly war with them, but Christina is just, she just knows everything about everybody and is just there for everybody. You know that person there who just remembers everything about you and thing like that, and she's just always nice and just caring and thing, and she's just a joy. You know, again, she, you know, like I said about Antasha and, you know, Anthony and them, these people, you know them, and just them pleasantness and their personality, you know, is such that just knowing them, yeah, you feel like your life is enriched, you know, you feel like the value of your existence, you know, is increased, you know, based on your affiliation with them, because they just give good vibes and good energy. And, you know, and you feel it and you know it, that there's an honesty and truth there, you know, in their interaction with you. And you just learn to appreciate that, you know, but providing you're that type of a person who exercises that type of gratitude and thing, which I am, and I know many of you are, but I'm just letting you know that that's the type of person she is. Very giving, very caring, always there for you, and, you know, and CBS, big up yourself. You know, we love you and we appreciate you. And you the bomb, baby girl. Know that. All right. Okay. Let's go into the show. And people, my party again. You know, that's what you have to do with promotion. There's a lot of new people over here today. So, you know, you hear it and I'm going to keep doing it. That's what you have to do. You have to promote. My birthday party is Saturday, September 20th. Ragabash at Amazura in Queens, and I want you all to come out, please. I want you all to come out to my birthday party. Come support, all right? Come from near, come from far. I guarantee you'll have a wonderful time. It's a grown and sexy affair. Dress up good and come out and think. Don't come plaka, and as we say, like bugu yaga. Right? I just come out and know, say it's going to be good music, it's going to be good vibes, ragabash style and thing. And, you know, DJ Chris Cross, I going to play some good music. Glamour Wayne, I going to play good music. DJ Roy, I going to play good music. Brown Bass, Echo Vibe Sound, and all of them, I going to play some good music and thing. See, Craigton, I fly all the way from London, come over. Never misses a ragabash. We give thanks for that and whatever. Big up the people who fly from England and come in. Big up the people who fly from Jamaica come in. Big up the people who fly all over the United States. and they're coming to the party and thing. All right, blessings and respect. Cool. Baby lips, big up yourself, man. See, King in a urge, a forward from Jamaica, respect lion. Seeing blessings, man. Yeah, man. People are coming from Jamaica and thing, and some of them they always do and thing like that. Family secret mix up or any other mix up wanna have, send up on a request them now. Make we see if probably this person's been there for a while. Probably them never mean for come in, but let me check. True, this is a fly from Queens are coming. Yeah, and the party is in Queens. Good night.
Hello.
Oh, good night.
You know who is this? You know who is this?
No.
Brittany calling.
Hey, Brittany, what's up?
You're shocked. No. You look shocked.
Brittany, what happened? What happened, Brittany? What go on?
You see where I'm calling from? You see the thing in the request where I'm calling from?
I don't know what it's Mark and March. That it say?
Yes.
Okay. What is that?
My channel.
Oh, where? On what? What? TikTok?
I'm on MTV.
On what?
I'm on TikTok and I'm on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Congratulations. Congratulations, Brittany. And you and Mark?
Yes, both of us.
All right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. And what you do on your channel?
Everything.
Oh, well, not everything, but a lot of things. A lot of things. Yeah.
What we can do.
What you can do. Some
What
things have to see for the private, you know?
So why you look so shocked when me call to you?
Huh?
Why you look so shocked?
No, because the last time from me I have the word that you say you would never chat to me again and call or listen to me again. Remember, you say it in and never me.
Well, I saw you. I'm on TikTok too and I saw you. I'm on YouTube as I told you already. And
Yeah.
I saw you and I got a notification that Raga is on there. So I said I was going to just call in
All right.
and say hi.
No, and that's good and I appreciate it. And just so you know, big man thing, we're not pick me anymore. I am not one of, based on when we did that so earlier in the show, it's like, you know, I mean, I have no time for, you know, by any little ill feelings and things. People have disagreements and things. And I must admit, there's some people with whom I have disagreement with. I'm done with them, right? But in general, you know, there is really no value in holding up certain, you know, negative feelings and I carry it through the rest of your life and whatever. So if you can put aside certain things and just say, hey, we're good over here and thing and all the best and which, you know, I wish the best for others too and say hi, hello, how you doing and check in and thing. It's all good. So, but just why you know that if you never ask me, won't even say, oh, I think you say you never did that come to the, you know, I true you ask and you ask a couple times I'm answer and thing. But Brittany, I wish you nothing about love. You know, you and Mark and things like that. I don't know, me know and so forth, you know, decades upon decades. So, you know it going, all right?
Yeah, man, it has been what? Almost 3 years now, no so?
You mean since you were?
I never know war. It was just a misunderstanding.
Right. No, but even then, you know, this, Brittany, you know me. You're mouth saucy too, because you don't take chat from people. I mean, I take chat. But you know, this, when it go down, you know, this, I never, you know, this at the time, I never argue back or nothing.
Well, you did not do that at the time, but
Right.
afterwards, you talk a lot of things about me. You and your followers talk a lot of unfortunate things about me, and all. And one man even call in and say, when Mark tell him, and him no know Mark. Him no know Mark from nowhere at all.
No. The point is,
And me ignore him because look here, Raga, me not have the time. Look here, me not have the time.
No, but I want to be clear. Hold on. I want to be clear. What you're saying is unfortunate thing, and that was just a continued disagreement. Me never style you up or nothing or whatever. No. Me just tell people what happened because people did want to know what happened. What happened to Britney or whatever. Me say, no, this is what happened and thing and Britney pepper me and whatever this and that and ray. So I don't know what you're referring to as unfortunate things, but like, because that come out a while ago like so me did style you up or something like so. But me did tell people, it's public as you know, whatever, but tell people what happened because people did want to know what happened, you know? Okay.
Yeah, it was really unfortunate. And, you know, when I sit down and my daughter is now 13 years old, she have her own channel now. And when me sit down and look at it, me say, but, you know, me not really, it was just the heat of the moment. And things do happen. And sometimes I just like go. You know, because
Right.
you meet people on the road and they must say, you're not talk to Raga again. And I say, no. They must say, why you're not your Raga not? I say, we just don't talk again. And somebody was saying, but that you soon see, Mark is coming, that you soon see your Raga talk again. I said, that will never happen. And I am even surprised in myself also that me and they attack because I said it would never happen. You know,
It's all good. It's all
Yeah.
good, Brent.
I
All
am
right.
so shocked that really they hear attack. And me can see on your face you was so shocked, like you just get. You say, oh, this not even my voice, I not even remember.
Well, it was really so shocking. Remember, I don't know, me depend world, you know, so it wasn't so shocked, but you're right, when you talk and you say, who is this? I didn't recognize who he was.
That me you did yet, me man. Cause me talk to you so much over the years. About some 15 or so years, and me call you have no idea who the person was. That means you get hit me.
Brittany, I never hated you and would never hate you because when you hate somebody, they own you. So I don't hate people because I don't want anybody to own me. And you have to be careful now because there's some things you don't realize, but you're doing a thing that they refer to as being, you know, passive aggressive, you know, so you're speaking calmly and things like that. But when you say, and the two we're making an effort to keep this thing on a mature level. So we are talk good, but then when we are talk good, you're sneaking and look at things that you say, oh, that means you did hate me because you never recognize my voice. It was nothing like that, Brittany. I didn't
but let me
hate.
tell you this. Let me tell you this. If me, you see, if me did hate you directly then, I wouldn't even call you. Remember me tell you, say me see you, you know, I've seen you a few times now. Since you come on, because me remember you used to come on YouTube and me not see you on YouTube again. And me see you now and I got the notification and something just said, make I give you a call. So if me did hate you any at all, I don't think I would have called. Because I would have just text. And you don't know who me be.
Right.
So the moment me call, that means say I think it don't make any sense keeping up that.
Right.
Because people disagree all the while, people fight all the while.
Right.
Yes, then go back go talk.
Right.
So if we have a misunderstanding and we you know, we can I think it is already sorted out from the long time. And me say, me never did a call back because so on. So me not feel bad I go down in that again.
Right.
And me say, all right, let me say hi.
Okay.
I think everything, as you can see, that everything is okay, you know.
All right.
No hard feeling.
Non-heroes. All right. Okay.
So I don't know if Mark want to say hi. Mark, you want to say hi?
Yeah, ma'am.
You want to say hi to Raga?
Say hi to the general.
All right, him coming.
Yes, sir.
Brother, what you say? Seed. Blessings, man. What go down?
Well, I'm there, man. You know, just a quarter of work, you know.
I walk cooler, man. Seed. Good for you, your voice, man. All right? Good for you, your voice, man. Seeing?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, man. Everything balance up?
Yeah, we are try. I think, you know, we have one YouTube channel, you know.
Yeah, man. She explained all of that to her. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, man. Seeing?
Yeah. But I politics, me do it still.
I politics you deal with?
Yeah, politics, you know.
Okay. Like election a come up, you know, so you in a yaki, you know, man.
Without selfish.
Yeah, all right. Now say a word, but you know how attack, you know.
Yeah.
All right, you in a yaki, in a element and thing, man. Well, you don't know. Wishing her all the best and everything, see, you know it go see, build nothing, man. Build together, all right?
Mm-hmm.
See?
Yes, brother.
All right, my general. Let's say a word, my protection here.
All right, my boss.
Love her and a cool.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if you take you off,
No man, you know, take me off it.
Oh, okay, all right, Brittany. I'm gonna take you off now, okay?
Yeah, man, take care.
All right.
Next time again.
Yeah, man, protection, blessing,
All
man.
right.
Cool. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, man. I want to say big respect to Mark and Brittany and thing. And many of you, if you're new, you know, you probably wouldn't know the history of some of what is going on there. That's understandable. I'm, you know, and now is not the time to explain anything there. And I don't think I'm going to explain anything at all. But just so you know, had some disagreements and things. Brittany and I, not with Mark, you know, it was Brittany and I had some disagreement on the show and thing. But these are people I know for a long time, a very long time, and thing. And, you know, there were some differences there, you know. Brittany said, you know, yeah, come in and give me a yell and thing, and, you know, make it known, so them have them YouTube channel and them TikTok channel and thing, and them do them thing, you know, all right? And let bygones be bygones, and we're growing and moving ahead, all right? And again, the topic for tonight is family secret mix-up or any other mix-up. Wanna family secret mix-up or any other mix-up. Wanna have, remember, as I said before, I can't follow up the whole of them something there because there is so much over here. You have to do. What the? It's who do that? What? Well, I mean, I tell you, yeah, and the higher your channel goes, the more your gifts in the different type of gifts increase, like things where people can give and make them do that something to your face. So the higher your channel, the more of those open up, right? So there's a lot going on over here where you have to keep up, you know. Okay. All right then. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one. Hello? Alien Tokyo, Wagwan.
No close, Raga.
Here I'm present, miss.
Me in the shop, you know, so you go hear a little bit of noise.
Yeah, because it sounds like you're down in a sugar bucket right now.
No sugar bucket stop. We are brother, sugar come in a pack.
Oh.
Nobody now we out sugar again, brother.
Well, and them now we out sugar again at Jamaica?
No. Me I make Bev come sell you. We Bev. Well, on the Raga. Come sell them people here for me, please. Raga the panel line. Bikey things them that what they on the counter. Yes, no clothes raga. Me come out of the crowd now.
Yeah.
And me tell my sister today, you know, say, lady, take over the shop when you see me and watch raga because me give people your goods and no collect no money. I saw me loyal to raga.
You see it. Hold on. No, when we out sugar again a shop at
No,
Jamaica.
it's not. Them say it illegal. It come over all the radio station and them something. So it come in a pack, £1 pack, £2 pack, £5 pack, and them something. They come in a
What?
one pack.
Hold on, so it's not allowed. It's like you're not supposed to do it, even if you want to do it. You're not supposed to do.
No, them say it's illegal. Me heard advertised over one radio station.
What? That what you said to me. I never know that. Remember, say when we grow up, you know, £1 of sugar, £1 of sugar, you go buy sugar.
Tell you.
Whether dark sugar or granulated sugar, you know, when we grew up, you know. So them, well, it's not the same thing with flour.
No, flour you can't weird, cornmeal you weird, rice you weird, but me don't know about sugar.
Oh, that is interesting. I wonder what is the reason for that.
It's illegal, my love. And me I tell us in the freezer, me did the freezer they can hold 5 a wee night on top of one another.
Yeah, I want big freezer.
Big. Big.
See, so I go on differently goods.
Anyway, me did say me just listen, but through Brittany come on, me just want to teach Brittany something what maybe she don't know. You see, anybody who was a program, you and anybody run mushed, either being from somebody and the host. In an argument, the listeners, them are going to take it to the person. So me just want to teach Brittany that. Because she has said, you never did that say nothing, but your listeners, them take it to her. That's a normal thing.
Well, yeah. That all over.
All the while, no matter what you was from, you want listeners catch up. The rest of listeners, them, I go take it to that listeners, them. That's why I make sure, you know, no try to come and come say nothing to no close Raga, you know. Raga, but guess what now? You know, say you're not no clothes, but black fit you. Black fit you, your friend.
What you mean? Black look good for me?
Yes, you could wear black more often. And last night you did have on the full black.
Yeah, I had black with some red trim. Yeah.
And I look on the red trim and the black. Me I look on and me goes up on my phone. Me take time and goes up on your lip when you hold up your head. And you say, no, alien, me not like sprat.
What? Oh, that go what?
Me goes up on your lip last night when you hold up your lip because me can't do it too hard. That's it scream, go touch. And you say, no, alien members, so me not like sprat.
What? Me not like, you know, say me slow with something. What you mean, remember, say me not like sprat? Me did say that last night?
Me kiss you. No, Raga, you never say so. Jesus, you really slow. Me kiss you. And me just say, alien member, me not like sprat.
Oh, God. You know, so you last me a while ago, you last me a while ago. Me say, we shut up. Oh, but me never get the kiss part, you know, whatever. Okay. Oh. What you do? You kiss me on the screen, God, what?
Yes.
Come in, what, the full black, sit down.
Black man, me love it. It fit you, it bring you out. That's why me I say, although you don't have no clothes, but you fit you. And you're clean. I could have even 3 suits you have. You make sure wash them.
Yeah.
And come out clean.
Yeah.
You nano clothes, Raga.
Yeah, but nano clothes clean, Raga. Yeah.
Yeah, better you nano clothes and you keep
And
one
you clean.
2 suit clean. cleaning.
Yeah, yeah. That's how the thing
Makes
there.
sense you have enough clothes and your frownsy.
Cause
And no
remember,
make no sense.
remember say when we grew up, you know, man, and you wash your car key the night when you reach home, you put it on the back of your fridge for dry it
Need
down.
to tell you.
You know about them
a
days
little
there?
iron part there
And
on
then-
the fridge back.
Run our fridge back and you wake up early, man, and then you iron it. And you that clean and
Me a
smell
tell you,
good
but
again.
Them a fridge and I come with it again.
No, things different now, man. Things different now.
Change.
One time, you know, remember say the little groove them at the back of the big TV, the TV them have the big back. Heat did come out of it, you know. Sometimes you have some people put underwear this and make this a dry, which them shouldn't do because the heat for come out or whatever. A flat screen now, you know, see them big back TV no more. Them fridge no did. Remember say freezer don't even have ice in it anymore. Fridge not defrost again, you know. When we grew up, we had defrost fridge. Fridge not defrost again.
Plug out and defrost and
Yeah.
that defrost by itself.
Yeah, and when fridge at defrost, you have to put beer clean and newspaper and star under it and thing because the water go wet up a place and all them something. Yeah, thing different right now, man. See. No, but I'm glad you educated about the sugar something there in Jamaica because I didn't know.
Come on.
I didn't know that I go on.
You know, we did advertise all over radio.
So what? So I get a little kiss from you yesterday when you know I'm full black. All right,
Yes,
so.
and you make sure I put me in my place so you not like Sprat.
I don't like Sprat. I put after you kiss me, I say, don't do it, cause I don't like Sprat. Don't. Yeah.
Sure, tell us there's a friendly kiss, brotherly kiss, and
Yeah.
another kiss, you know?
Yeah, friendly sister, brother, sister kiss. I just saw it there. All right.
I love you in a real life, in a raga.
Blessings, man. My respect, man. I'm thankful, man.
Me and you can lay down together and just reason.
Reason and things, seeing one of them thing there. And by the way, I love Sprat.
You love Sprat?
What? Love Sprat, you freak. No, man. Sprat was when it fry right the way we raise it, you know, like Sprat. Them say Sprat are poor people food and whatever and all them thing there, but
Favorite fish.
but me love it.
You know.
No, man, I love Sprat, man. I mean, I've expanded my cuisine. Like, I am, for example, whenever I grew up with salmon, I love salmon now. Wild caught salmon, I love them something you know. But when I left out Sprat, man.
Yeah, man. You know which one I fish clean, you see?
Which one?
Them say parrot.
Yeah, but Jamaican love them some parrot, though, you know.
They love it too.
Well, and between parrot and snapper, which one you prefer?
Parrot. God no. Parrot. You see how when you fry that and you do up your onion and your pepper and your carrot and you know the vinegar water make it kind of steam down a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow, that bad.
I'm gonna be honest with you, you know, I've never really paid attention to the difference between certain food that people pay attention to. And it's not obvious to me either.
Yeah.
Right? But what the difference with how parrot eat compared to how snapper eat?
I don't know but me love parrot. Me can't tell you the difference, but me snapper not the steaming one.
No man, snapper fry too much. Then when escovitch fish are sell, enough people sell escovitch stammer. Yeah, steam and fry. No man, snapper.
Me rather my parrot and my Sprat.
Oh, okay.
Because me go to Elshan and buy 2 fish and festival, ball a parrot, me a go order.
Parrot you got. When I grew up, there was a fish. That's the question that go sound silly, so just work with me, yeah? But there was a fish where people used to eat, you know, the young youth, them start, you know, when them start, them foolish. But it didn't name Welshman.
Yeah, me hear about that. Me not too know fishing, but me hear about it.
But I don't ask you if it's still there about.
Yeah, man. Welshman is still about, babe. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ask her if it still sell all about or if it's scarce.
She said if it's, you want to hear a nice voice, Raga?
Yes, me more ask her something. Yeah.
Yeah. She prettiest Raga.
I lie.
Yeah.
Let me talk to her.
But she older than me.
Nothing wrong with that. You can't pretty and old. Let me ask her.
Hello, Raga.
Hello, pretty Bev. How are you?
I'm doing great. You?
I am doing absolutely fabulous. I
I
think
don't
it's
have to
wonderful.
ask. I don't have to ask.
Blessings, man. Listen, I have a quick question for you. Is Welshman like commonly available still, or is it hardly see it and them? So?
You can get it, man.
Oh, you can pretty much get it
can get
anyway.
Yeah, you can, because most I buy fish at Ola, but most time you get Frenchman over there.
Oh,
Frenchman
okay.
is Doctor fish.
With doctor, yeah.
Remember them sell it with Doctor.
Oh, them sell a Welshman with doctor. When you say sell it with it, what you mean?
Most time, if you're buying Doctor,
Yeah.
you get few Frenchman with it, and if you're buying Frenchman, you get little Doctor with it.
Oh, okay. Is doctor fish still the preferred roast fish in Jamaica right now?
Most definitely.
Okay, all right. Then. Because me know say steam fish is snapper, roast fish then prefer doctor, and then the parrot now is
Right.
yeah, and the escovitch, yeah. Right. Interesting. Well, all right, then I catch on and thing or whatever.
Blessings.
But all right, pretty babe, thanks for talking to me here.
Likewise, on
Raga,
Yeah.
don't in every family you have a bad apple.
Well, not in every family, but it's not unusual to have somebody in a family that is referred to. I don't like the term, but the term they use is black sheep. Yeah.
Well, me rather the bad apple and me are the bad apple.
Why you say that?
Because me guani, talk bad when me ready.
Yeah.
Do the rub and patter when me ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, hype when me ready.
When you're ready. Yeah. So
Yeah, man.
some people in your family not too like that.
No.
What them say like you too brawling, vulgar, unruly, or what?
Unruly.
Unruly.
No take talk.
You know, take talk and hear you laugh and thing or whatever. You know. So I hear the bad girl in our family then, Elaine, yeah, for a long time, though. Seen. Well, Elaine, we love you. We just think
Yeah,
you're
me run
wonderful.
down people on social media, me run down people on radio. Only in a real life, me no run them down.
You know, really. So wait, you're internet bad girl.
yeah.
Oh God. Well, you are not our unruly for we. You very much in our family and we love you. All right. Just know that. And nobody can say nothing about you to me because I go done them.
Me
Okay.
know, man.
I go done them. Leave my alien alone. Okay.
Yeah. Me a big up hot and spicy up a Papa because you know, say your show make me know her, you know. Me and her meet up, you know.
I lie. On a link up. Very
Yeah,
nice.
man, we meet up at half a tree, my love. And she carry food stuff, come give me yam, banana, and
Oh.
then something there. And then we go have lunch together.
I lie.
Seriously.
Jesus. She did bring down any of the many bullfrog them were always a chat on with her. Oh,
And
she
make
bring-
sure tell her leave it up there.
leave the bullfrog.
Try
Don't bring the
leave
bull.
that up there,
Try
my love.
leave the bullfrog up there. We don't want the bullfrog
And me a
there.
big up your secretary, aka Queen Ash.
Yeah,
And me a big up my matey, Miss Long Island.
yeah, Miss Long
And all
Island.
of your listeners, them me a big them up.
Blessings, man. That's a word, man. Big up yourself in the alien too cute.
Yeah,
I just
man.
know Raga love you and rate you, yeah?
Love you more, Raga.
All right, then proper respect, man. Cool.
Theater.
Yeah, man. Protection. Cool.
Take me down.
I will. One alien too cute, man. May I tell you, foundation and things seen. All right. So Del Marine well say Ed girl, Queen Nash, big up. Queen Nash. And yes, man, you get a title, but you never ask for it. You never market feet, you never appeal feet, but you get a title like the group say, no, you are this and whatever. You understand? So you see it, Queen Nash get title and she never asks feet. You see it. Head girl. Nah man, Elaine too cute. Miss K say, I can't help but to love her. I want me to you, man, Elaine too cute a star, man. I'm going to charge you that, man. You understand? Yeah. Dear one. You see it? All right. Miss Adams, Raga, what time you ending tonight? No, sometimes I don't know, know when I start, but I don't know when I ending, no, Miss Adams. I for end 9 o'clock. Which would be 25 minutes, but I not end. Sometimes when I'm going and the thing just feel good and I just keep going, you know? Just keep going because it's nice, you see me? So when I set nothing, we just work with it and we want to feel good and we have time, we just keep going down. Hello? 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 Tass?
Sorry.
Tass?
Sorry, we reach out.
Yeah, you're there. Well, yeah, you're there on Raga.
Raga, sorry.
Eh?
I apologize.
Oh, you never want there on me?
No, may I listen to you. Sorry.
So, well, an
Yes, Raga.
accident that you end up on me?
Yeah, accident.
Okay, so you never mean for that end up on me?
No, yeah, Raga, yeah, that means to end up on you, yeah. Good night, Raga. I'm a shy girl.
You're a shy girl,
Yeah.
but Uno always dangerous, you know.
Raga,
What?
good night. Me never know
No,
if
hold on. Don't you have a side of you when a shy? Talk it truth to God love, don't
yeah,
you?
man, always.
Yeah, but you have to get to know you have to reach a side there, don't.
Raga, yeah, me can't do my work in peace.
Oh, me?
Yeah, because
What do
I
you?
try to listen to you and I try to focus and I never know. Say, my phone go off.
Oh, well,
Yeah,
that's not my fault.
yeah,
No,
your fault.
no, but just so you know, I make no apologies for disturb you a little bit, yeah?
Okay, goodbye. I'm
What?
listening.
You listen. So what, should I stop disturbing you or keep disturbing
No,
you?
I'm more disturbing, but I don't want to talk to him. I want to listen.
Okay, so you want me to continue to disturb you,
Guys,
don't?
I can't believe.
Eh?
Goodbye, Raga.
Yeah, so you want me to continue to disturb you, don't?
No, Raga.
No, you know why I'm going to disturb you?
No, the chat, yeah? It's fun.
No.
So much fun.
All right,
Okay,
then, cool.
all right, Raga, bye. Truly, I can't believe. I didn't even know how to do it.
What a line. Raga disturb me, and I don't know how to do it. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Raga?
Hello. Yeah.
Hello? Alright then, so me have a little mix up with it on the job, so I can TamFam a little bit and talk.
Yeah, man. Step to me with it.
So alright then, I'm going to my body not catch my voice, because I have a unique voice.
All right, then. Talk, man.
So, alright, so I was out of what I call it like a 2 years relationship. So it was an abusive one, so you know, me I try second myself before I start again.
Yeah.
So, downtown talking to one of my friends now, so you know, I'm just say, yeah, man, like you just dedicate yourself to the man, so you need the next man. So a nice big man when me did always admire. Stop and I say, you know have no man. So I say no. So him Mark you married is a married man, you know. So me exchange number with him and we start correspond.
Right.
For about a 2 month now on the phone, I just talk, make like eye contact even time when I come from work and meet on the front. Anyways, down in a Christmas in the last year, Mark this man ever tell me about his exploits or him good, or him bad in a bed, and me as a thirsty big woman come a menopause, I'll say, you know, say me up there, well want something.
Oh,
So one
well.
night him call me and tell me about, you know, so really, me not telling him, me did actually a touch self. So me say, just come over no man.
Oh, you mean when him call you at the time, you did help yourself at that moment?
Yes.
There. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So me say, just come over, man. So me invite him over. Mark, remember this man I tell me about him exploits, sir.
The whole time, him a tell you about him good with this and that, all right?
So remember me tell him I've been out of the game for 2 years.
2 years.
Already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, Raga, I tell you, it start. And me I tell you, foreplay, boom. Me have mark all over my body. Everything man I bite up, I icky up and everything. So me realize that the man uncle use him finger. There's nowhere it a move. Cause remember me go up, me cool down again and ready for go up again.
Yeah.
Me not say nothing else but finger.
Oh, yeah.
So me I say, no, something not right. So me start then say, all right, since I him let me as an experienced woman go through.
Yeah.
Every time I move for go down there, my hand move.
Him no want your hand touch the
Him
instrument.
don't want my hand touch it. So every time I touch, him thing there. Anyways, I say, okay. But remember, as I tell you, say I'm an experienced woman. So
Right.
I might be him not want the hands. So
Right.
I just go. So I decide for it make him feel good. Not even that the man I want.
What you mean, like, you said probably him no want the answer. Yeah, say either that you try to give him a headers.
Yeah. Not
Right.
even that the man
And then when you move to him to give him the headers and whatever,
not
when
even
do
that the man want.
no when literally do like draw it from your head or
Draw
something
it
or
from
push your
draw
head.
it. Yeah, draw it.
Wow.
And I say, wait. Something not right. Then him said to me, say, this never happened to me yet, you know. Or the first thing this happened to me. So I say, come in like I'm here. Then I say, no, only you. Or the first thing this ever happened. Then I say the man gone on the finger game again. So I say, wait. Nothing. Finally, now him said to me, say, you have olive oil? So I say, yeah. Because if I even that for make something go on tonight, me that make something go on.
Olive oil?
I said the man, me give him the olive oil. Yes, olive oil.
Okay.
Give him the olive oil. Me see the man. So me actually, I will have the night light on. So me actually now, I look for see what I want. Me see the man like, you know, he's actually forcing the something to, whatever it is him have, him a 90 it down.
Oh, with the
Then
olive
him
oil?
say-
With the olive oil?
Yes, yes. Then him say, "Ma for turn, you know, give him like I'm good from the back." So me ready, cause remember I go up there already. Me really want whatever. Then me hear
No, what? No, when you say go up there already, what you mean? You the pop off already?
Remember me tell you the man is expert on him finger.
Right. And so him did
Me
make you have
shut off.
him make you have a happy moment
What?
already. He make you have a happy moment. Oh,
Multiple.
several just from
Several
finger.
on the finger.
Oh, so well on him know about the G spot and the man in the boat and thing.
Yes.
Oh, so him know
yes.
about that something there then. Cause who good for them finger, them know if you touch the G spot up and then I touch at the
me
same
tell you,
time, the one on the outside and the one on the
If me did
inside.
for grade him pan finger, I might get A plus. If me for grade him pan kiss him get A plus. Everything. So
Yeah,
now,
well, you know, so that means that look like something they look like it did long time, you know. That's why the finger gets so good and them something they get so good, you know. But anyway, go on talk. So I'm telling you, turn around now and that,
yes, so me
and him done
turn
aisle
around.
down and then what?
and yeah, and me ear. Matthew, are you ready for whatever is going to happen?
Yeah.
Me ear.
And then what? And
Be a
then
black
what?
the man stop boss. Be a black. Brother, me not feel nothing, me not enter, me not know nothing. I mean, 2 years, even if me did big, me that forget small.
What you mean him a bus blank after that? What you
The
mean?
man done.
Him do- so what him tell you for turn around for?
I don't know. So, me now call my friend cause she introduced me to this man.
Yeah.
So me call her. So she say, so me tell her, say, be a finger game, be a finger. So she say, be a finger. I say, yeah, be a finger, nothing. So she say, give me another chance. So I say, no, not with finger. Anyway, the morning, him leave early. Him leave early because him I forgot go doing business and whatever. Him call me in at the day, and I tell me how him enjoy last night. It was a fun night. And how was it for me?
No, he
Brother?
didn't. No, he did not.
Brother,
He did not. You
Brother,
are telling me say him never enter the living room with the strength and thing, and then call you and I say, last night was really good, It was a
Yes.
fun night and thing. How you
Yes.
feel now?
And yet, you're the wickedest part, Raga. I can't swear upon my life, so the man never enter. I can tell you, the man never enter. And the man will tell me, say, if you're not telling a lie, if you're a big man, you're not telling a lie for 2 years, blah, blah, blah. It tight, Raga. The man couldn't know if it tight, yes or no, unless I didn't finger.
Then I'm finger him a talk about. And that him a talk about.
Raga, you know, say, some friend call him now.
Well, a finger him name now. Though.
Yeah, every time she see me, she say, me nearly call out my name. Me see finger just pass me.
And to be clear, you don't have nothing against finger, you just have to say, yeah, me appreciate where you're going with your
It's not
finger,
for
but
me.
at the same time,
It's
me
not.
expect you to go so rare and
It's
deal with the
not
thing.
for me. No, this, me not talk back to him. 'Cause it's not for me.
Let me ask you something. After that, you
the
feel
wife
like,
for him live with her, whatever.
you feel say like, you waste your sort out this, you feel say you waste your sort out? Or,
I thought, listen, at 2 years, and really made her look, when Vinette said she didn't want her volcano to come down,
yeah, who?
me did want it to come. Remember Vinette in the player said she didn't want her volcano to come down.
Oh, I don't
Me
know
do
what
want
to.
my own.
You didn't want your one for come down. Ja, no.
Me really want it
A
to come
wrong
down.
person that you go start it with, yo. Sure. If you go broke the 2 year fast where you did I go through and thing like that.
And me I tell you now, yes, when you see my neck, and you see me have icky bites, anybody that see me believes them. Me do something last night.
Say they get shelled down wicked down.
Wicked.
Yeah, I don't know, nothing like that. Ja, no. No, man, it feel bad that,
And is a wait, me gonna give you a joke now. So whilst me sharing my exploits to a friend of the friend that introduced me to him, so she said, like she explained and say, then Vinette never did have the same problem with him when she carried him go to the hotel. So me say, I said, not me alone. And I said, no. She said, you lucky when Vinette see it. Our 6-year-old son own bigger. So me said, Jesus. She said, you not see it? And she called, you not see it? Me said, no. Me not me only see when me give him the oil. Him ask me for the olive oil. And me give him the olive oil. Me literally see him rub down something. But me not see if it big, tall, long shot. Because every move to it, the man backs off my hand.
No, but hold on. When me, I'm sure enough people who are listening, I wonder like, so you literally never get to look on it at all. The room did dark.
See it.
The room did dark.
I had a night light. I have my night light in my room. But I never see it. I not touch it. I not feel it. Nothing. You me tell say, well, while I was there, and me say, okay, probably me like a game could have, because I'm an experienced woman, mother does do something for come feel for even make it work. When the fire out of you.
Yeah, when the fire out and you blow, when the fire go out, you blow it.
Yes.
You blow it for the fire come back out. You get a good blow. Right? So you did willing to blow the fire to make it come back up, no?
Exactly so.
No, but me still kind of cute. So when him take off him clothes, you never see him when him take off him clothes.
Nice body. If me did nice, but it's just that whatever I did have a work with, it looked like it never did a work.
No, but so you were able to see when him take off him clothes and see him body, but you never able to see that?
As me tell you, me never see it. Me tell you, so while you see even while it's in the bed, me not see it. Cause me tell you, a finger game straight.
No, but you realize that this man is an expert. He's very adept and accomplished at hiding this thing from woman when they do it. You realize that go on, yeah.
Me realize I have the audacity to ask about and tell me it was good. Me never get anything. I got fingered.
No. No, man, let me tell you what go on there, so. I bet you he has had experiences where, because your friend say when Miss Lady, the other lady that did whatever, she said our 6-year-old son one bigger than female, right? And that she said, right?
Yes, that's what another girl have the same experience.
Right. So what I think may have occurred was that this man has had experience where woman see this and must say, where you go with that? That you ever? No, sir, I can't bother waste no time with that and whatever. So he has
man have the audacity to say him not swipe to, you know. That was one of the things that burned me too. So him swipe.
Yeah, him now waist up and him now face up.
No, none of them. Him a finger.
Man, now waist up and face up, but a fin up, because I fin that. But what I say is, he has become an expert in hiding it so the woman not see it, so him can get to do it. But we're still curious too. What the backside him do it? Why you ask for olive oil this so and what him do with olive oil?
I don't. Me say why me have that. What him said to me say you have, because first him say it's the first thing. This is the first. And I'm jealous over him and that bond me too, you know.
Jealous over what?
I don't think there's nothing for her to be jealous about. Because me no say nobody else don't want that.
Who jealous? Who jealous what?
He's a married man, him live with his wife and she's very much jealous of him.
Then what wrong with she? Then I must. So what else about him appealing? Why should I think that woman want him like that?
Him finger.
So she might think say, oh, them jealous of a man finger. Well, almost that. Auntie. But the thing that was appealing to him was what, him lyrics or whatever. He's a nice man. Him did take care of you or what? Him good looking.
No, your thought is all of the above. Nice, kind, very attractive. Everything, body and everything looks nice.
Oh.
Yes.
Like him. Yeah, go on.
If it was somebody where, because me not normally go for the married man then, but this was somebody who caught my eye really. But it was somebody who I really admire from a long time.
Yeah,
so when you give me a talk, I take a talk.
Yeah, because they don't like him already. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I see what you say.
And I can just say some like it hot, some like, but definitely what he must share was not for me.
Not for you, auntie.
No,
because
finger game straight. No.
I mean, in general, how you like it?
But as an experienced woman, I like to tell me a lie one day. I can tell you the truth. So even if it's that I am number 100 on the block, when we are together, tell me a lie that I am number 1. Make me feel special and I am good.
Are you good with that?
Yes, me no look rough. You know the rough something them. No, that's not me. Give me the tell me a line once.
You like the tell me? Oh, okay. So even when you know, even when you know, so them a tell lie, from them a tell the lie, good you work with it and feel.
Yes, make it be about me. Give me. So you see it like, all right, I can be 100. I know you'll have 100%. I'll be the 101. But when it's my turn, make me feel like I am number 1.
Yeah, when I your time, and it's all about you. You're the center of the universe.
Yes.
When I your time,
here.
And when it's done, you're gonna do your thing.
Done,
you're fine.
Down and go back on my 101 position.
I go back. Okay. No, but you see that meds the way I make right, I know the psychology it is deep, you know, if we were to like deep dive on it and break it down some more, but basically when you're with you, when I'm with you, make you the center of the universe. You is only you and you matter
Only
whatever,
me.
and you enjoy that.
Yes.
Right, okay. Let's see what you
Yes,
say.
and I'm not selfish. I'm not the one that go make the nice your wife this and no. I'll hold my 101 position. As long as when we are together, you make me your number one.
Make you be a number one. All right, then me hear what you say, you know. Big up yourself, you know. All right. All right, then I will wish when I done Finga, I wish him all the best. I just know your speed, you know.
This not my speed.
I know your speed. You're not a finger woman. All right, then
Kingston
protection.
13 in the house.
Brap, them for no, you understand? Yeah.
Yeah, remember being a man say it, you know.
Yeah, they don't know a glamour way in place too and all them people in place.
Right, that's so.
Right, that's so. Kingston
Right,
13, 130.
Maxi la video.
The whole works and this. We Kingston 13 come back over to our Waltham site. No?
Yes,
it come over to Waltham site too.
Sometime at Waltham. Some part of Waltham.
Down a Mission Road Park.
Yes, but Mission go straight back to Maxfield also.
Yeah, exactly. Chinese cemetery side, them part, they don't. Okay.
They reach home.
All right, now say a word, man. Big up yourself, yeah? Yeah, man, protection, cool. Yo, people, you know see what I go on with that brother there? And you know when I go on the phone just dark up, you know, I got lights, but for whatever, it just dark up and it not come. We work with it. HR saying was finger licking good. When you say HR, it's a KFC sort out, no. You know, it's a KFC sort out because she say, yo, the dog bad pan him finger, you know. You know, when you see a man use him finger and thing, and she say him kiss up and thing, but when him use him finger and thing, and make she pop off so many times, right? You know, say him good, you know, because, you know, some woman can tell you, some man, a lot of men, them really don't know how to use them finger, you know? A lot of these men, them believe finger is just about in and out, when it is not. A lot of men believe finger is, you know, the male thing, aggression, when it is not. Right? So the man, them are really good on the finger. Them know how to go in and press up. And them know what to look for when them are press up. Because no two women is the same. Some that thing that where you're inside and I press up, it's different for every woman. And the size different for every woman. And the position, you know, it can be different for everyone. Some more forward, some more back, some, you know, whatever. So the man them want to use them finger, them have to know what to look for when them go in and go up. And then, even when you find it too, and you know, and something where you press, you have to know what you have to do. You have to know about the build-up. And you have to know if you in and go up, and at the same time when you're outside, you use the other ones. You go in and go up, and you use a one there. And you could drive a woman insane with that. Right? But again, it's not about this. You know, it's more about that little something there and whatever and thing and whatever. You could own a woman with that. You know, you could take a woman's soul out of her with that. And as usual, it's not about whatever. It's just having fine way of a fine. Start soft and build up and thing and whatever. That man, yeah, me read that. That's from my research. Leave me alone. Go about your business. Okay, talk up to me halo. All right. No, so when I say, it sounds to me like he's pretty good at that. You know, like him know For you, make a woman pop off multiple times from just finger, you know, you have a good, you know. Your finger game, I feel like on point. But people who can see, they cannot hear as well as blind people. Blind people's hearing is way more advanced than people who can see. So when you lose the skill in one area, you overdevelop your other areas to compensate, you know? So it sounds to me like, bossy, I want to look at something, or it probably can't come up. And it sounds to me like he may have had some unpleasant experiences when women have seen it. So it appears that he has developed this repertoire of skills, you know. If you get in a baggy and get film, you know, film enjoyment, and give the woman some enjoyment without she get the strength, you know. Because for him go through all of that with her for so long, and make she pop off for so long with all them something there, and I know she not see it. She not see it at all and whatever. Him have to know what him do in terms of the choreography, and know him navigate or distract her or what him do or whatever. And that is something you gain from practice, you know. That is not by accident, you know. And then once if you have the audacity at the end, figure ask for olive oil, and then go pop off, and then I back in the dark, and go ball out panara and thing because him pop off and all them something there and whatever. Is that's not by accident. This man I do this thing a long time and I run them game the long time. But something some sort of disconnect there they do. For him bright enough for call her the next day, and I said, well, last night was great, man. Last night they turn up, man, and thing like that, you know. How is it for you? They go and go down. You're good, you recover. Some sort of disconnect is there, you know. Some sort of disconnect is there right there. So I don't know about that part there. Look like him ain't gone right there. So, you know, something all right there. So you know, make the sound again. Raga, leave me alone and go about your business. Raga, it have nothing to do with it, you know. It's his wife. I don't know. It sound like him have some disconnect going there. So after the experience of a call a woman and I talk about. You know, last night they turn up in a be, what you say?
Hey,
Greeting. Yeah, what's up? Wagwan.
You're not gonna like me after this, but you have a natural obsession with all things schmexual. And you know, I used to enjoy it a lot because I'm a prude. I'm a prude. I'm a woman in my late 40s, and I used to enjoy being a prude. Enjoy being with hiding my sexuality because I'm a Jamaican, you know. And
Right.
before I grew up, it is kind of prudish, and the one man you freak out with the one man, your husband or whatever. But
Right.
you have taken this voyeurism to the depths of hell. What happened to you?
I have taken what?
The voyeurism. You're a voyeurist, Raga. I tried to analyze you, you know, and you're funny, and you're funny. You're very bright. You're studious. You watch us. We are your subjects. And what is this?
I think I know what you want to say, but perhaps, and it's an interesting observation, but I think you may be using the wrong word, but I know what you're asking me, right? You're basically asking me, why am I sex focused? That's what you're saying?
You're hyper focused on the Jamaican sexuality in its most wicked form, in its most debauched form. adultery and sorting out and run up and down and one drop on the stone. And
All right. Oh, all right then.
it's the comical nature of the Jamaican Caribbean sexuality is almost like it's like a real, it's high class comedy, and you are the ringmaster indulging in this. I hate to say wickedness because it is really funny sometimes. But I sat here tonight and I'm enjoying and I'm commenting and I'm thinking, Raga is a fiend.
Well, a couple of things. One, hold on.
Emotions and
No, no.
everything like Raga enjoying him. Raga, you're probably getting off. Your hood must be stiff down there right now, Raga. Honestly.
No, a couple of things. One, you're correct in terms of the focus. Well, listen. One, you're correct in terms of the focus. Two, you're incorrect in terms of the label. That's not voyeurism. Voyeurism is a specific sexual fetish and condition in terms of just watching. But in terms of the subject matter and exploring its many dimensions and its layers and so forth in terms of sex and sexuality, yes, you're quite right. You're also right in the sense that I have an academic interest in it, which I don't manifest on the show. But yes, I actually do research in sex and sexuality, as do thousands of other scholars. There's many dimensions to it. And I don't know if you're familiar with early anthropologist Margaret Mead and so forth, who did work in the Samoan and whatever and compare it to Western culture and whatever. This is stuff I studied on a doctoral level. I don't do that academic.
Raga.
Hold on, listen. Hold on. Listen. So you have that side. You're also correct in that I absolutely love to wallow in all the Jamaican and Caribbean dimensions of this because I think it's fun. And part of it is fun because we grew up in a society where it's laced with contradictions, and some of these contradictions is you must be doing all these things, but don't talk about it.
Yes, but
that is what is fun for me. I love to revel in it and talk about it and think, because it's not me. Jamaicans are very, very sexual people in general, extremely sexual people in general.
And
but like you,
society is going to the dots. It's actually a very hypersexualized and brutal sexuality. How even the songs they play, it's like the most violent lyrics in sexuality. The women are subjugated, and it's almost like it is shameful. It really is shameful. We're having fun right now, and I'm actually having fun too. But I wonder sometimes we have reached the bottom of the barrel. We have reached the pit. You know that, right?
No. I that's wrong. Suppose I tell you that this thing that you're talking about, it wasn't. Listen. This thing that you say we're at the bottom of the pit and hypersexual. Let me ask you something. Do you think, you said the music, do you think it only happened in ghetto and dancehall?
No, I never said that. I said the Jamaican society, high class, middle class, low class, is one big jam rock of sexual perversion, and in the lyrics it's coming out in our I'm not saying sexuality is wrong enough, but how we are viewing sexuality, comical, brutal. She killed somebody said she killed the vibes. Well, it killed from Ilian Carl. So I don't know. It just seems so. It's not loving. It's not soft. It's not warm. It's not cozy. It's just take it and just wrap it and just.
No, no. Hold on. Hold on. You're wrong there. But I'm going to ask you again.
Yeah.
This element of Jamaican sexuality that you have identified, which, by the way, doesn't constitute Jamaican sexuality in its whole, but this element that you have chosen to focus on in terms of what you will refer to as its debauchery, and it's very based in terms of preoccupation, and it's very base preoccupation. Where did you think this came from?
Slavery.
Thank you.
Slavery.
Thank you.
we're the bucks and the wenches of the Caribbean. I don't know.
Thank you. And so it's the elite class of Jamaican society who back in the day, they are the one who established this over-sexualization and the commodification of the black body and treating black people as sexual tools for procreation and to sell them and whatever and forcing that and also to revel in their own.
Perpetuate it, Raga. We can
What?
soften it, make it lovely, make it wholesome, make it sweet. You know,
Okay. No, so hold on. So this thing that you know where it started from and what sustains it. So you say you don't have to perpetuate it. So who do you think you have to go to for it not to be perpetuated?
me, myself, and I, right? I don't have to go to anybody. I can say, I reject this kind of sexuality. I'm going to accept that kind of sexuality. I'm going to perpetuate my love in a way that is uplifting to me and my partner. You know what I mean?
Okay.
It's kind of maybe I'm a prude and that's okay. But it's so a lot of it. And Raga, to be honest, you are very entertaining. You're very bright. The stories are entertaining, but on a general level. And maybe your show is not the right one to be scolding anybody because I actually love you. You know, you're a wonderful man. But I can tell by all of this voyeurism, you have a lovely partner, and you said you had children, and I can tell even with your face and your smile that you love your children, and and you practice a loving household. I can tell that but you are looking in on the darkness. Do you know what I mean?
No. If you choose to see it that way, that's fine. You're entitled to that. But what I'm saying is, yes, and again, without apology, everybody have a show that focuses on something. And just like Howard Stern or whoever, whatever, or who choose to do listen, or if you do politics or if you do religion or whatever, why do Jamaicans, why you think you get so uncomfortable with sex and sexuality?
I didn't say I got uncomfortable.
No, you are.
Okay, I get uncomfortable with the raw slavery, buck and ram and skin out and skin out.
No. But here's the question though. You have said so much for me to know that you have been continuously listening to this thing that you don't like.
Maybe in the last 2 weeks when I discovered you again.
Yeah.
But not every day. But I'm like, Rocket did not change. He's still out there wilding out.
Yeah, but why did you listen several times to the point where you're saying like, what's wrong with me? Because you've been saying that that's the focus. You call it voyeurism. It's an incorrect label, but I know what you mean. You're saying that you think that there is an inordinate focus on this thing, a continuous sustained focus on things. But why you keep listening it?
It's almost. Do you know when the train is coming and it's wrecking? It's derailing and you can't look away, Raga. That's it. The derailing of the train. It's so entertaining. It's a shock and awe and horror and my God, let's see what it's like pulling out your cell phone.
Okay.
I'm like, God,
So hold on. So to be clear then, train derailing, interesting imagery. So basically you're saying you feel some compulsion to keep consuming something that you think is bad.
Yes, because the TikTok algorithm, compels me to. Yes, right.
No. Don't blame the TikTok algorithm. No, don't blame the TikTok. You don't have to listen to me. You don't have to listen to me. You don't have to watch me. You don't have to watch me.
You're very watchable. You're watchable more than
exactly. You are enjoying something that another side of you is telling you that you shouldn't be enjoying it.
Enjoying your high level intellect and the fact that
that's an excuse. But you just said that I keep wallowing in something that's bad and you enjoy it.
Other people are not recognizing your genius. That's what I'm thinking. My God, they don't see through Raga. Raga, we are your experiment.
No. There is no experiment here. This is an organic process. This is how people live, but you refuse to accept that people can be happy, self-affirming, intelligent, bright, and live and still focus on this in an entertaining context. You don't want to accept that.
Yes, I
You
do,
don't want to accept that.
Okay, Raga, listen to this. 2.5 million whiny island people. Wind up, go work, wind up, go dance. Oh, take this man, take that man, wind up under the bed. Raga, come on, man.
Listen, all that is happening here is people talking about what is going. All that is happening here is we are talking about stuff that is happening out there. It's just that people like you, your prudish side, like you say, and your derived European-centered thing, but you're not supposed to do these things or say these things in public and whatever and thing like that. Of course, no. What you're talking about, the prudish part of it, it's from a European ethos. But what I'm saying, all that is happening here is we're openly discussing stuff that you are partaking in, but according to society's rule, you're not supposed to be doing it publicly. That's all.
It's the maybe it's the vulgarity for me. I don't know. But Raga, I'll continue.
Hold on. Is it vulgar when you are in your private space and you go all out and shell down your Saturn?
Oh no, of course not.
Oh no. So what makes it vulgar in your book is not the act itself, but the public discourse of it.
Somebody said, Jennifer, you need a finger.
No, I'm saying what is happening here is that when you say it's vulgar, it's not the act that's vulgar, because you do it too.
Right. It's the burden of the
It's
ear.
the public discussion of it. But what I'm saying is what you refuse to accept is that there are people who are so liberated that they are not constrained by these manufactured prohibitions from society that say you're not supposed to talk about this public and a Raga and a alien too cute and all these other. We can't come here and talk about it. And true, you don't have that freedom and thing. You're trying now to demonize us, so we're doing something wrong. But you need to come over here and come talk up the things them too and talk where you're going with too. And you go upside down. You need to come over here and make we teach you something and thing. You need to come over here and make we teach you how to slide and wine and roast duck and turn up your sex life. You need to come over here and make we teach you how to improve your head game with your husband and thing and make him come home to you every night. You need to come over here and make we tell you some parts in your body where you never know exist and all them something. Come and school here and cock up and dash out and go up on the edge of the sofa and lean it and curve it and catch and quint and do the something with them. Come join the class.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Catch and come right now one down.
Yeah, right now that one day. You need to learn the catch and quint here. You need to learn the catch and quint. That's true. We are live the life over here where we not live. We not try to come demonize our thing or whatever. Times change now. 2025 are going to 2026 right here now. We not play that critique in any mind. We are live and be happy. You understand? And if you don't like it, don't listen and don't watch. You have a choice. But you listen and whatever. But you know say you enjoy it. You enjoy it. But you just feel guilty say you enjoy it. That you have to turn around and cuss it and try demonize it. But when you start, I realize say I wrong person you come to you because it's a boy you have sense. A boy have sense, Miss Cherry boy have sense. Okay, so when a baby around here, you can't come to me and come step up on me and think with some bullshit chat and all them thing there. Because we will pepper your ass too.
And the thing is, Raga, one more thing before you drop me down.
No, I'm not drop you down because anytime I drop you down, you're going to like it.
Listen, when Ilian come, it was the most awkward moment I saw in your face. You handled that excellently. I was the prologue that you did. Oh my God, it was you warmed my heart. I'm like, this is the rail that Raga is on tonight. Oh, I'm all for it. And then you just
let me be clear. If you watch Raga show, you're going to hear some outer order thing because Raga is outer order. If you don't like it, that's fine. Don't listen. We're in a day and age now where the options are literally millions of the unlimited and things. So I could never understand why somebody would. There was this helper, you know. Let me just give you a brief anecdote. This helper, she listened to me, you know, but she worked for this woman in somewhere in the Barbican area, and she said the woman always a cuss her. I can't believe you're listening to that disgusting, disgraceful man, and this and that, and him have Ph.D. and him have behavior. And she said she cuss me every day. She cuss me. She said one day she iron and she forgot to turn on the radio. And she said her boss said, so she named Sandra. The boss said, Sandra, you know, turn on the radio with the disgusting man. Turn it on, make me hear what I have to say. Turn it on, make me hear the slackness where I come with and whatever.
Make me catch and quint. Exactly.
Right? It's all good, man. And listen, I want to thank you also for, and I want people listening to understand this, that I want you to listen, if you listen to her carefully just now, she was expressing a disagreement with me with something, but she did it in a way, people, that was it dehumanizing or was it insulting? It was challenging, but it wasn't insulting, and it wasn't, she positioned herself and differentiated herself, but I didn't get anything from her for me to be dismissive of her and run her or anything like that. It was an intellectual exercise, and it was an exploration in some disagreements and whatever, but again, it wasn't done in a way that very often elite Jamaicans do. It's that can be insulting, and they act like I'm superior to you and you're beneath me, and it's kind of paternalistic and type of condescending and stuff like. It wasn't like that. It was just a healthy disagreement that was done playfully and thing. And at times when I challenged her, she never itched and hesitated to say, oh, no, that's true. So, oh, no, that's true. She did that several times, and I want that to be instructive. You can disagree, but your delivery and how you go about it it's also very important, I think, because had she come at me in a different way, I would not even have entertained a discussion. I would have cuss her out and run her, and I did not get that from her. Okay? All right then.
And I'll continue to listen. And I like the intellectual discussions, and I'm going to learn how to catch and quint.
Catch and quint, yeah. Catch and quint. And if you need an elaboration on that, I would tell you. And just so you know, it's like when you're up on the head and you catch to the side and then you quint with a suction movement, it does wonders for the man, okay? All right. No, don't loosen up. In that position, you certainly want to tighten up. Catch and quint. You might tell your friends about that one, the catch and quint. Bad style, that. You hear? All right, then, cool, man. You take care. Blessings, man. Okay, cool.
Bye.
Yeah. People, that was a very interesting exchange, And again, it was the two people on different sides of an issue, and yeah, she did come for me, but the way she came for me was because she talked to me, and I feel her, Yeah, man, I feel her. People, I have my lights on here, and usually, I don't know why it's showing dark today. Some of you notice it and thing, but we just work with it. But I like the way, she expressed her firm disagreement about which is it's a long-standing critique and whatever. And what it is, it's this conflicting thing that exists in post-colonial societies where they have been taught a particular way. And again, all this is learned. There's nothing universal about this. Culture is learned. I want you all to understand that. Culture is learned. The problem is a lot of people learn certain things in culture and believe that it's universal, right? They believe certain behavior, that is how everybody's supposed to behave. And it is an intercultural issue that is between nations, for example, and also an intracultural issues that is within the group itself. So within Jamaica, we have intra-cultural issues, right? Differentiation. And it has always been the case that you have a particular set of Jamaicans who learned a particular set of conduct that is supposed to be the decent, right way to behave. And that contrasts with a different way to behave in terms of people who are more sexually liberated and free and speak freely about certain things. Now, people from working class Jamaican culture, it's not just dancehall. Dancehall reflects that. Dancehall doesn't create that. They will have you believe it's dancehall make people stay so. Dancehall just highlights what already exists. I don't have to tell you these people. Many of you come from communities where people joke and talk about sex all the time. Joke and talk about sex all the time. You look at our dances, our folk dances. This is our traditional indigenous dances. Kumina, Dinky Mini, our wake dances and things like that and whatever. There is a beautiful sexuality there. Is that unique to us? No. You go to Hawaii and see them do the hula dance and people see these sexual imagery. You go to some of the most conservative culture, these Arab cultures, and see the women dance and whatever. You go to Spain and see the flamenco dancers do their thing and whatever, and this undulating pelvis and the torso and whatever. They're all doing it. We just happen to do it better, right? In the Caribbean, right? We wine better, whatever, and all these things, right? But when we're growing up and think, my mother and her friends and thing, there's this constant theme. Why Pastor, they look good today? Why me not like Pastor, they look nice today? And it's this constant thing. Bury someone a play, your mother cook, and she a dance in a certain way that is sexual. You're there bar or evening time, you ask about John. You know, see a strong woman that man, you can't manage that woman, man, you need to drink up some. There's this constant thing with sex and sexuality in Jamaican culture. Oh, you can't manage that, you know, see a stallion that and whatever, this and that and whatever. So they would have you believe that it's the dancehall music and it's a song and whatever. People, one day I was amongst some of the most powerful and well-known men in Jamaica, politicians, like a big group of them. I can't tell you where we were because I'm dead and gone, at the home of Anthony Abrams, who is a former minister of government, with the Jamaica Labour Party. And he owns New Start 93 FM, so he was my boss. And irrespective of what you think with these people, the PNP and JLP and the animus that you see exist between them, when they get together, the whole of them are friends. Them do business together, and the whole of them are friends. And I was amongst all of them. Not all of them, but I was among a bunch of them. And these are well-educated, cosmopolitan, politically savvy, bright, brilliant men, right? And a couple of them, their wives were there, but at one point, all of them attacked. And then them just start about sex. And them start talking about like, Tony, boy, if your pool could talk and thing, you remember when we had that orgy and thing like that. These are the people, that constitute Jamaica's aristocracy. And it was just this sex, and who them did this and that and start call up all some woman name where did have done me out there. Some woman in the media who had done me and them talk about the three of them did take and she and them pass her around and whatever. Which all me not do. Me not talk about you. If I mean, my thing is, if me and a woman do something, she for protect me. And me for protect her. Right? Me serious upon the rule. Right? So me don't even not do them something there. Yeah? Like if me and a woman do something, no, me and I never do nothing. Me I protect her. And when you style me up and things like that, me I protect her. And there are these men who everybody praise and big up and thing and whatever. And them go right into that Jamaican thing and be a sex them a talk about and who shell out who. And me just sit down there and me I look upon them and me I say, the people who fight against Ragashanti and fight against Dancehall and did one ban lady saw and obsessed with Beanie Man song, Gal in a Bungle up to this day. Me say, if those people who obsessed with them something and always attack people like me and them people should see these men now. You know, so them wouldn't put them in the same category as we just because of the whole status thing in a Jamaica and all them thing there, whatever. So they are the ones that have the sickness. Right? It's like there's a kind of cognitive dissonance in the application of the critique. And I can't go an example over an example of that. Them used to burn out people about the ganja smoking people, them and all them. So who smoke weed more than uptown people? Them burn out the ganja smoking Rasta them and all them something there and thing, but Buster Man did send out people for kill the Rasta man them and so bring them back dead or alive, you know, the Coral Gables massacre and thing, I like all them something there and thing like that or whatever. But when ganja did legal, be uptown people and elite people are running upon it, don't it? Come on, them want to make money off of it, right? Them burn out the same thing, the Rasta them and all them thing and whatever, but when it's convenient for them put up one big picture with Bob Marley, you know, when you come in from come on from airport to a cement factory there with a big spliff in their mouth. When it's convenient for them embrace it, right? From long time, me know one woman and thing, when me tell her she get up every day, she burn out dancehall. Way back, you know, me I tell her a long time, you know, one day I come in and I see her dance butterfly to one exercise video and a be a dancehall music I play, but I say, but not the same dancehall music that way you burn out. You know what the woman said to me? Yes, but this lady packaged it better. This was a white woman from America, used dancehall and I sell it in her product and thing like that. And she go buy that and I use it and pay her money for that and in there dancehall and all these things. You understand? So when it is packaged differently, them use it. If you go to the powerful men and women concert, right, for the mustard seed communities, which I have been a part of, right, whenever them have that concert, right, is all these elite people performing for free for the charity. But you see, when them do them performance, them not there they sing no opera, them not there they do no ballet, a beer at the same cultural rituals them where them denounce and fight against every day. At that, me see the whole of them do. Blossom Amelia and Nelson should come out and do a revival character and whatever. The Jamaica Council of Churches, them not rate revival, them not rate them Pentecostal church and them something there. Them not rate them people because of the elitism. But when the time come for perform that, them do down. Them come out there and them a DJ. Cardell Green, my longtime nemesis, right? Want to know who is actually really cool people. He and I had a conversation in the long run, and he's a nice gentleman, a decent gentleman, and whatever. We had a fight and thing and whatever, but him cool. But whenever Cardell Green come out there and perform on that show, for those of you who know, because they make a video, but him play this madman who is just wallowing in the Jamaican language and the Jamaican working class mannerisms and thing like that. Right? So the thing when them say them hate, when them get up and say them hate, I can give you example that when it's convenient for them and them, it. Enough of them say all them thing about ghetto people and whatever, this and that. Most of them man there, whatever, ghetto woman, them go draw for the same sex thing where you hear them a beat, ghetto girl, them have the wickedest slam. Right? Now make them fool, when you see them come out with them, that type of thing and I perform like somehow they're so differentiated and it's not decent or whatever, thing like that and whatever. You understand? It's hypocrisy. And I'm telling you, it has its genesis in British European culture primarily. And I always say, read the book Dangerous Liaisons or watch the movie. The book is better than the movie, but even watch the movie, John Malkovich, Michelle Pfeiffer, and Glenn Close. And it captures that hypocrisy of the genteel class, and the sexual depravity that they have long since engaged in. But you're not supposed to talk about it, and you're not supposed to say you enjoy it. And when they see people who are supposed to be below them, again, let me say that, when they see people who, based on the hierarchy in our society, they think them arrive and them up there so kind of educated and them know better than what. But when they see people who are supposed to be below them happy and enjoy themselves in ways that, is manifesting, their sexuality, expressing their sexuality, and them know that they are not allowed to do it based on FIDEM rules in a FIDEM society, instead of having the matureness of thought to say, well, it's their thing, which some people do. That's not for me, and that's cool. They're happy, and I'm happy for them that they're happy. But there are those who experience some unconscious triggering, and there is some sort of dormant jealousy there, where it's like, how can they be doing this over there? It's almost like you're not supposed to happy. And they will come over there and try to poison your mind that you're doing something bad just because you're enjoying your, your wind up on your cultural thing. And just because you're so free that you can say, I love it when it tight and squeeze it and you give me the backers and, upside down and the wheelbarrow and thing like that and boom it off and this and that. They can't do that. In a FIDEM world, no, you're not supposed to do that. But because we have the freedom to do it, and they see that freedom, and they see the fun and the joy that you have when we're doing it, it's like instinctively they just want to, no man, there's something wrong over there. They shouldn't be doing that. That is wrong and whatever. And they'll come for you. Right? Now, I am multi-layered, I'm multidimensional and thing. But I love reveling into, discussion and entertainment, preoccupied with sexuality. Them no own me. Yeah, and if them come for me, back in the day, me tell some of them about them bum buckler and thing and dab them up and rub them out and thing. I'm not like that anymore. But remember, once you learn how to ride a bicycle, you never forget. But if them come for me again or whatever and think, we can go there. I can take them there if the necessity arises and things like that. But I understand them too. That, they are caught in this thing where they know better, they're superior, and them can't see it any other way. Them people that can't go to somebody in a market and thing, who know have degree and thing and thinks that them can learn something from them. They're not like that. They're not like that, right? They're not like that. Them can't understand that. So, at them now, if they just humble themselves and look over and say, boy, I wish I could have that freedom there, but, I have to juggle with my thing over here, so because over here is my world, but I'm happy for them, rather than for turn on and try to demonize them people over, low women. And this is as good a time as any to remind people, say, Ragashanti, out of order. Raga out of order. And Raga not change for no. You understand? So it's your choice. If you know a Raga out of order and think, don't listen. You have a whole heap of options out there. You go where you want to go. A Raga got happy for you too. You understand? Go do what you want to do. But if you feel, say no, you have to see Raga over here be out of order, and you have to sit down there and watch Raga and them people them and whatever and this and that, and then feel like say you have to come over, you have a right or you have some sort of entitlement or some license or some privilege. They come over here now and shut down Raga and all them thing there, whatever, and thing like, and I think so we're going to pepper back your ass and thing, your choice, because you come over here, you can't get done meant. You understand? Because clearly I don't give a F. You understand? Is what I say? Me no care. You understand? So if you come over, you want all a reasoning like she did and conduct yourself in a certain way where we can say, so there's an opportunity here for some learning and thing in terms of adversarial perspectives, then we're cool, But if you come over here and start misbehaving and thing and whatever, you can't get F up. Rhetorically, verbally, okay? All right, good. Yeah. Yes, man, it used to bother them, man. The constant thing I always hear from them was like, can he do that? How can he do that? Can he talk about those things or whatever, thing like that? And them hear, sometimes them hear things from a show where, have nothing to do with sex, but them just hear a different voice. And, you know, they would be like, they will come with these little crutch, like, why you have people talking like that when you can speak better? Don't you think that if you help them to speak the English language better, you will empower them better? That is their little excuse, you know, their little out, you know? But try if you say, you shouldn't give these people license on a platform that is supposed to be reserved for the elite and all these things, you know? And that's how you hear them people say, radio gone to the dogs, radio this and that and whatever, media gone to so and so and whatever. Just because radio and media is no longer only reinforcing the status quo that validated them at an elevated and superior status over others. That not there again. The internet are them worst nightmare. And anybody can come on the internet and be them 1 star right now. Which means we don't need them. They don't like that. Because this is very important. I want you all to listen to this thing before me. I'm going to take someone else. But listen to this. This is very important. You see, if you consider yourself at the top, you cannot, it is absolutely impossible to be at the top if you're not seeing somebody at the bottom. And it is very important that you understand this, because people will come for you, and if you don't know that is what is going on, you end up a play them game and a go down them rabbit hole and things. Let me say that again. There are people in this world who believe they have arrived and believe to them they are the top. But in any society, in any group, it is impossible to be at the top where them think them there without seeing people below you. If you're not seeing anybody below you, you're not at the top. And so it is when they see people who they believe they are at the top of, superior to, and those people are functioning in ways that confounds that, you know, that challenges that construction that they're at the top. What they're really doing, you know, is trying to come up with something to keep you down, yes, or to put you back down, yes, or for you to stop doing what you're doing because it's challenging their status. And it can get so trivial and ludicrous. When I was at the University at the West Indies, there are times I would teach, and I love these little summer pants, you know, these little Miami linen flowy pants. I love those. And I love sweat bottoms. And I love t-shirts. I love simple. So I'd go and teach my classes and whatever. At a faculty meeting, somebody raised and said, if, you know, if the faculty need to come up with a dress code for lecturers. And as soon as they come up, then I call a name and I say, Lord Jesus, I mean that now. You know. And what these dress shirt and dress pants and suit man were saying was, we have people here who are dressing a certain way that's reducing the value of our dress. Worse, I was ridiculously popular there, right? And so it is them I say, yo, the way you address, it'll bring down the value of what we are doing. Now, Mark, you know, sometimes that is important. If you have a community where people mow them lawn and keep up the place, this and that, and it increases the value, and it keep up the value of a property and whatever, then you don't want somebody from moving out of the community and then start a mechanic business out on the road, you know? And you fix, people are coming here fix car up on the road when nobody no do that in other community. You know, like, yeah, you're going to be like, come on, shit, nobody does that here. But then if the same thing exists and a black family moving, and because the black family moving, the property value of everybody else thing go down, which happens in America. Now you're faced with the situation where, well, I know the black family fault that this racist system exists, but if we get rid of the black family, the property value will come out. And that is the easy part, to get rid of the black family or to move out. The hard part is to challenge the racism and thing. But when you see that entity there, based on some system that is in place, is reducing your value over here. The challenge for you is to do the intelligent, bright thing and whatever, and do not demonize and attack that entity that did you nothing wrong. Them a live them life. Them not do nothing to nobody and thing. If you want just stay over here, stay over here. If you want to move, move. Right? I hope you understand what I'm saying. If you're above, if you have some understanding that you're not educated, you have arrived, you have this, you have that, and you're up here, so you cannot be at the top if you're not see somebody at the bottom. And if the person that was supposed to be at the bottom start right up themselves with you, then you're no longer at the top. And the status you enjoy and the privileges therein become null and void. So it follows then that you have to keep the people them down here, and you have to keep maintaining that status quo that keeps you at the top. And that is what is going on with enough of them. Because the thing has changed, and them refuse to accept say change. And them do them endeavor best. These so-called intelligent, bright people, suddenly they're not intelligent and bright enough to be able to reason out this thing in a way and reach a conclusion that is not in their interest. The conclusion must be in their interest. It must be validating what they have, how them see themselves and where they are. But them not tell you that, some of them don't even understand that. They'll just do the easy thing and attack you. But 99 times out of 100, that attack, even though it's phrased in a way from them as if, now look out for you, why can't you do better and whatever, it's really selfishness. And me, I was the epitome of that, because them never know how to deal with me. Because they know, for them, the things about me that's important to them. I had a Ph.D., I had a master's degree, I had a bachelor's degree and whatever and things like that. So them know, so them couldn't come tell me, say me a idiot or whatever. So if me I behave that way, clearly I am choosing to behave that way. So them can't come to me and go tell me, so me need to do this and that for elevate. Me I elevate as far as I want to elevate. I'm going to do what I want to do because I'm a free man. I'm a self-determining, self-defining human being who knows it's his responsibility to make himself happy. And one of the ways that I am happy is to enjoy my foundations. And my foundations are a Jamaican ghetto youth. So nothing wrong if your tree grow and your branches flourish and you expand. But all those branches and them blossom and them fruits where the tree go, all of that is still an extension from the root. You can't have a mango tree at its root where I try to bear ackee. Just because somebody say ackee is the way to go. If the mango tree try to bear ackee, it's going to be living a falsity that inevitably going to constitute some pressure to keep up the ackee appearance, which is what them do in terms of the masks they wear. They try to be something that they are not at their roots. So I have expanded, I have traveled, I can speak different ways, I can speak different languages, I have degrees, I've expanded my wardrobe, I've expanded my vernacular. But at the end, My roots are undeniable and they cannot change. And if me's a mango tree, I'm not going to try to be a ackee tree or a gooseberry tree or something else. And if you can't understand that, your business that. I happen to enjoy my roots. It makes me happy. And if you can't be contented with me making me happy, bye. Yeah, this short sometimes, it makes some turns, And, we laugh off of some mix-up and go on, but sometimes, we can reason and thing. But just so you know, that's part of the reason why, them will pepper me and criticize me and down me and style me, But very often, they ain't no better than to come for me, So they don't, and that's good, All right. Rude girl, Mika, big up yourself. Jenny said, Lord, me mash up your show, sorry. No, watch it. Jenny, you know, say you're not easy. People know, say Jenny is a subscriber. Lord Jesus, then Jenny, oh, you're going to manage tomorrow, Jenny, tomorrow we're going to play excerpts from outside, You think you're here raw yet? Wait till tomorrow when you're in at the sub live. Jenny, let me tell you from now, you have to go prepare yourself, here. Jenny, you have to go prepare yourself tomorrow, unless you're not going to listen to the sub live, here. But I want to be nice to Jenny. No, Leo, baby, be nice to Jenny. Okay, Jenny, cool, man. All right, be nice to Jenny. But Jenny, me, I'm telling you the truth, you're going to manage tomorrow in the sub live. Can we go play some excerpts from sub live? You're going to hear Jamaican that talk straight up. That it raw. So I'm just telling you to prepare yourself, Jenny, because again, I grew up around it, I may understand it and things like that, and there is so much, maybe they laugh and whatever, but there's a lot going on in terms of just enjoying it in its moment, but even intellectual analysis, there's a whole bunch of things going on with me, but I tell you from now, Jenny, it raw, okay? And it's only in the subscribers live. You're not going to hear it in the regular show. All right? When you say Lana, Jenny, I go call in and tell you say she do the catch and queen. Well, hey, Jenny a sample do, when we talk and Jenny hear the catch and queen. Jenny said, wait, what up? Let me write that down, the catch and No, all I go on, Jenny vibes is still, Jenny vibes is still, Back in the day, no disrespect, I'm not being rude or anything, okay? But back in the day, when you're juggling at the road, Jenny, one of them when I buck up and I hear she go and so you just, in your mind, you just are saying, watch me, you're going to work, and you're going to get you to do something, you see, and whatever, When you're done with, because I met a few of those women like Jenny, when you catch them certain, what you doing? I don't do those things. Oh my God, and whatever, and you hear them, Sometimes they might like going like them and tell you stop and stop, no, your sister. Oh, I can't believe you're doing this. And then now stop and thing and whatever, you turn them upside down, you curl them up, you do all kind of something with them and whatever. And thing and chat some sitting to them and say some word to them and say, yo, how fast, hey, fling up my people on me and thing and whatever. Fling it up on me and color them and whatever. And broke them out, man, yeah? Yeah. I'm not like that anymore. I'm a good behaving boy, But back in the day, man, it was a challenge, man. Of course, the dichotomy was, you get an uptown girl. You get an uptown girl and broke her out in a gangster thing and whatever. It was a thing back then. It was a thing, And in truth, you have some uptown woman and, the ghetto man, them did like to, And the uptown man, them love the ghetto man. There's an interesting dance that goes on there, and thing, Nah, I'm a good behaving boy now. I'm a sweetheart now. I'm a darling little munchkin now, man. All right. But again, people may want for the subscriber live tomorrow. For those of you who are on the prude side, like Jenny says, it's going to be raw, so be prepared to remove yourself if you can't manage it, okay? And that's totally understandable. Hello? Hello?
Hey, Raga. So sorry. You hear me?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. I requested because Jenny, and I didn't want to rub up Jenny, but it looked like a Jenny told friend now. And we spent quite a time talking about it. So I think maybe if we make somebody with Mixup come on.
Oh, no. So you just sending the request. Hold on. You just sending the request to rub out Jenny. You did I go take it to her, though? No, yeah, break up.
You said she was absolutely condescending. You hear me now?
No, we're not here. Yeah, break up bad, Yeah, break up bad here.
Hold on, let me fix that. Still?
Yeah, say, wait. Yeah, better now.
Okay, perfect. I was saying, I disagree with you because she was being condescending at first, and then when you rebut it, she directed the condescension towards us, your listeners, and she tried to ridicule us by saying, oh, you are an intellect like your leader is we are straight, and we just brainless and run up and down la-di-da. But at the end of the day, Jenny, we are a community of people who are age appropriate, who enjoy the act and also having healthy, open discussions about what we do. You are one of us, a subscriber. Sit in a corner and enjoy the proceedings like the whole away. There is no need to get up and dust off yourself and pretend like you don't have a hand mode too. The whole away wallowing. Have a good night.
I love it. Well,
we are all adults and this is a safe station. You can catch and drop it, you understand? And we not fit jack. Nobody, we won't tell them say you. But I beg you don't come back over here to come to that again. We're a community of people, we're friends. We're a TamFam, not that again, babes. The whole will line up for you.
Yeah. Well, it's a good point that you make, I think. So you said that the condescension was there initially, right? You said
it was condescending. And then when she noticed that you were rebutting and not taking it, you noticed when we got towards the end of it, how she light up now, because of course, now you are indulging her. And she said, we see you, Jenny. We absolutely can. So I got about voice. We can smell just how ravenous you are, babes. We all are. So have a seat and enjoy it with us. Have a seat and enjoy it with us. There's no need. The whole way uptown and downtown, whenever we feel like it.
Thank you.
It's for us to enjoy what we do and discuss it at length.
Yes.
Okay? Nearly 10 o'clock and Jenny still there. That means to say 9 o'clock in doing gone. Jenny, you sit down and make me do your babe. Sit down.
Yeah. Thank you, Kimmy. Well stated. Blessing. So you love Jenny because we're friends now. Okay, good.
We are friends now.
Yes. No, but when you just come on, you say, I said, they send up the request to come rub out Jenny and thing, but my just say we're turn friend now, so I'm not going to rub her out.
I'm not going to rub him. What me just say?
No. So if the conversation never did kind of balance out, they you did a coming with a militancy, Jenny, did I go get pepper, man.
I lace up my shoes and I put on the bonnet. I said, Jenny, because she so keeping it playful, but please, we all understand what is happening. We understand the assignment, babes. We're not idiots over here. That's why we love Uncle Raga.
You see it. Blessings, man.
That again, sweetheart, because we're sitting at, as a matter of fact, I see so live, me, I look for him first. Him one, me, I look for.
Other one, when in the sub life tomorrow, you're going to look for Jenny, though.
You better sit down and quiet dad put your finger on your mouth and not say nothing.
Jenny, stay back in class and learn
If
first.
back
No?
in class, he have to put up his finger before he talk and we not gonna pick on him.
Yeah, I would hope that Jenny is listening to this and just laughing and be like, you know,
I
boom,
hope
bam.
she is
You're right. Because
Because
that's
it's all love.
it's all love. It's all love. It's all
Let's
love.
not do it again. But
Yes.
love.
All right then. Boom, boom, boom. Blessings. I see where too cute, did I say? One people come to a show because of something about the host.
Oh, absolutely.
So if you come and you go after the host, at some point you're going to have people who are going to step to you. You're going to have people who are going to step to you. So too cute was on point with that, you know.
Exactly.
And thing, you know.
You're a community. What are you doing here? You cannot just be here because you want to ridicule the host, nor can you be here to ridicule those who are listening, because you have to first make sure you understand. So you are one of us. Cause how you over here attack you is one of we miss. Sit down now. Sit down now.
All right. Yes, man. Blessings, man. Well stated, well said. Thank you so much. All right.
You're welcome. Have a good night, guys. Big up, brother.
All right, Kimmy. Cool. Blessings. Well, people, it's always satisfying, you know, when you state your point about something and thing, and then not only somebody else can come and say it, but in their own words, and in the case of Kim, eloquently stated, with the aplomb and the vibes and a thing and whatever, a nice little mixture of the things same way, in terms of the different layers of Jamaican culture reflected in the language that she use and things. So that she have that something too, and whatever. I can do it in such a convincing way to say, in terms of the things that she explain, we say, yo, Jenny, this I go on, yeah. For those, somebody asked, a voyeur is someone who derives sexual satisfaction from watching others, either privately, like a peeping Tom is a voyeur, but you have voyeurs too. You have couples where, Puffy, P.D. is a voyeur in terms of some of the stuff that were explained. He will get others to come and sleep with his partner. And all they want to do is watch. Some of them watch and pleasure themselves. But the distinct definition of a voyeur is just watching, and they derive sexual satisfaction from watching sexual acts or watching somebody in a state where they're revealing parts of themselves that can elicit a sexual response from them. So voyeur is about watching the sexual act. So in that sense, it wasn't an accurate label of what she was saying that I was doing, in terms of, she thinks I'm she used the term experimenting with people, because she's basically trying to differentiate me from you guys, to say, well, and you get that, like, you know better, you're different, you're not like them, so you're here using them as pawns type of thing, and it's akin to when people, for example, come up to black Jamaicans and say, and they will say racist things about African Americans, but then try to say, you're different. Right? And it's important, like in those instances, you don't buy into it and think that, oh, you're being lauded and celebrated as being exceptional and extraordinary in comparison to those who are actually like you. So you don't do that. So whenever them people that will come to me with them something, let me check them. I'll be like, no, we have shared history, shared heritage and things. So the criticisms you make of them, or the criticism you're making of me, yeah, man, we check them with that, So that's a different thing from being voyeuristic. All right. Raga, we need a name for Jenny. No, man, let's keep it at Jenny. Let's keep it. Jenny's fine. I doubt that's her name anyway, so. But let's keep it at Jenny. Yeah, we don't need anything troublesome or provocative or derogatory in any way. Yeah, I think. All right, I'm going to leave it this way now. Because tomorrow we have the show, plus we have a sub-live tomorrow. And again, the sub-live is just for subscribers. And I just want to remind you that tomorrow, that in the sub-live, people are going to speak freely. So if you're inside the sub-live, just prepare yourself for that. And then I'm going to play excerpts from Outer Order that it's going to be a little saucy, okay? Big up everybody who subscribed tonight, all right? Just a D or somebody who just subscribe large upon herself and thing. And I just want to remind the subscribers too, I will do the show and thing like that. But again, I am not the type of person who's going to come over here and do the TikTok match thing. I'm not going to do pressure on for gifts and them something there. I'm not going to selling the TikTok products and them thing there. You know, them ads you see people make it. And my thing that. So for me to be here, to discipline myself to turn up here Monday to Thursday at 6 o'clock. And I approach it like this is my job, this is work, and things like that. That it's a subscription that's going to make it worthwhile for me to come here, all right? So I intend to build up the subscription. There are people over here with 6,000, 10,000 subscribers and all them something. So that is the area that I'm going to focus on. So I want to thank the subscribers for doing so, for subscribing, for, restarting your subscription and thing when it's up and all that stuff, all right? All right, so big up on yourself. So sooner tomorrow, regular show at 6 o'clock, and then at about 9:30, we're going to do the sub-live. I want to remind you that the sub-lives are not put on the YouTube channel. All right, so you know that all my shows over here, I put them over TamFam TV on YouTube. Again, it's over YouTube at TamFam TV, right? But whatever happens in the sub-lives, they don't go over there, okay? Because it's just a space for people, like, Millie said, it's a safe space for people to speak freely and so forth, okay? So only subscribers will be able to access sub-live content. So I'm going to make some posts here with sub-live, but it's only to subscribers, All right? That is that for now, okay? Good night, folks. Y'all take care of yourself. Be good, okay? Don, big up yourself. Queen Nash, large up. Okay, Lanoy, big up. Kay, I see you. Okay. Good night, sweet charm. Janet Brown, large up. Kim Miller, large up. Cheryl. And do remember my birthday party Saturday, September 20th at the Amazura. It's a thing named Ragabash. All right? We're going to have a wonderful time that night, people, I assure you. Okay? So make sure someone will come out and seal out that. Good night, good night, good night, good night, folks. Blessings.